Ogiri. Ogiri. Your faithful son has come to offer you a sacrifice. Emma can say me, eh? Ewo. Where is the kola nut? Ogiri, please, don't be offended. Eh? I forgot the kola nut. Let me rush and get it. I will be right back. Biko. Biko. Get that. How? Wow.
Dad! What the hell? Why is the road so bumpy? Dad, I'm already getting sick. I want to go back to the States. Pull over. Girls. Turn around right now. Turn around right now.
Girls, can we please calm down? We're almost at our destination, okay? Yeah.
Which destination? All I see is red flags. Red flags!
Baby girl, we all agreed to come back home so that you girls will feel what it is like to be Africans. Yeah? So why are you backing off now?
Because I want to puke. I want to puke!
Baby girl, don't do that. Don't do...
Then I don't think she can hold it.
We got no... We got no...
Ew, my God!
That wasn't nice.
What the hell?
That wasn't nice, Melody. Do you feel better now?
You know what your mouth stinks, don't talk about the world.
It's okay.
Your
It's
mouth
okay.
stinks.
It's
Shut
okay,
up.
girl.
I hate this place. Shut up.
Oh, shit. Can we all calm down? Calm down. Yes.
Giri. 60. That's it. Okay, take. Pack. Put this up for your bag. Pack. Ah, this man, the child. You carry chingon too, put for girls. Girls, they chop chingon.
Maybe I saw. This be myself for you put for you. Girls, they do the how they tell open us.
Mine now.
How they don't open for
you. Maybe girls go open. You never can tell.
Yeah.
So, sister, as you be twins like this now, you know, send me to what you do. Okay, keep that thing. You want red alarm? Keep that thing.
No face.
We be twins, I know. But you know, say, me first you come up for belly. So, me will share this money now. Go take 300, I will take 500. Hold on first. Hold on. See. Go. Don't let the girls use you now. Don't let her use you. See, not because I say I want to take fresh air for Isabella. Now make you call the fruits. Then I cook up and say, no, let go seize you. Oh, no, okay. You want to take fresh air. You can't allow me to come out first. Now you do yourself now. So allow me come out first. Now I don't senior you. Even if the 1 minute that takes senior you, as far as you allow me come out, I don't senior you with that. So respect yourself.
Oh yeah, more doing like this. Wait, me come first. More doing like this. Bring a call myself first.
Okay, native will come to me with tooth. Come out here.
Oh yeah, more doing like this. I carry 500, you carry 300.
You Chris. Carry which 200. You don't know your mate, Abby.
Okay. More doing like this again. Let's show 40. 400, carry 400, carry.
Bring the money where I give you the scratch your hand. Bring and make her take her first now. Then you know the grateful baby. You know
I'm going to say for you. I will but
bring and make drink her first.
I know the open one. This one is my own special drink.
This one's milk, come on here. I think we got to the catch us. Milk, come on here. Let me hear what. Give me Fanta. Give me make a drink if you know what.
This one is my own.
Ogiri.
I don't tell you.
You open a milk drink now.
Yeah. What is happening there? Huh?
What is happening where?
What's the meaning of this?
Listen now. So what I tell you now. Sir, what you talking?
What is happening here?
What is happening here? I don't believe they call Ogiri. Ogiri don't call us. Nasebe will come. Na two of us the Ogiri children. Ogiri Sebe will come.
Will you shut up your mouth? Which Ogiri?
I'm talking to the ghost.
Did I offer anything to you?
So what do you offer?
I have put everything back there. Put it back.
Ogiri, we don't have time in prayers. I swear. We dey go now.
Look at these children.
Where we go? This fantasy too. You see, now make Ogiri Sebe will come testify. See, next time if you want to sacrifice them, how much? I bought the 2K. Don't put your gum on. We know that you
Will you shut up your mouth? Did I offer you anything?
Okay, calm down.
No, did I offer you anything?
Okay, you got to like cola lot. No, okay, you said make you just drop the cola lot. May you bless her. Don't bless her. No. Okay, may you bless Ogiri. Bless you. Ogiri will bless you. Don't waste my father now.
What? I will keep on.
Mama.
James!
Mama.
James, Mom! James!
Mama, no.
Good to see you!
Good to see you.
Yeah. Turn. Let me look at you. Hello! I'm so happy!
Mama.
I remember you told me you'll be coming into this country, but you did not tell me when you'll be coming. So where is my Oyibo wife?
She's good, but she still didn't come with us.
My granddaughters?
Yes, meet grandma.
Hi. Hello.
James,
Mama.
you did not teach these children how to greet in our dialects.
Mama is complicated.
It is complicated. They're telling me hello, hi, as if I'm talking to somebody on the phone. No problem.
Grandma, you sound so harsh. What did we do wrong?
You have not done anything wrong and I'm not harsh, don't worry. Thank God you are into my hands. You are here with me. I'm going to teach you what it is. I'll let you understand what I am talking about right now. Don't worry. Oh?
Why are you chasing these kids? Do you want to hurt them?
I have to teach them a lesson for disrespecting Ogiri, my chi.
No! Ogiri waiting. Machi.
What the hell is Ojiri or
Ojala?
What the hell is that?
I play. Obolo Gala. Ogiri Okpe.
What are these nitwits? Exactly.
Nitwit. Network.
Nitwits. Are you guys deaf?
It's okay, girls. Sir, whatever it is that they did, we can solve it amicably. Rather than chasing them the way you are chasing them.
Solve what? Do you know what these children did? They ate the meal I gave to Ogiri, my chi. Huh?
This man no get shame. You no get shame. You no get shame. Shame about the catch us, they talk that. Which one be meal? If person they hear the meal now, they talk a meal. But this is a better food you keep chicken. You don't keep meal. Na chingom or sweet you keep for your gods. Gods tell you say that they're hungry. Not a shame. Your mates now, if they go see gods, they go carry cow, carry fowl, carry goat. You na chingom or sweet, they call them meal.
Wait, did you just say gods?
This is a gods fight the fight.
Do we still have gods in this century?
I'm tired.
I thought this was a civilized nation.
Also,
it is a civilized nation.
So what are you talking about?
I will explain that later, okay? Sir, whatever the case may be, I will pay for whatever damage they cost you.
You not
Cannot be
damage.
chasing them like that. They are just kids.
You got my food. You not cost damage. This I know which one came now. We not cost anything now. Only chingom.
I'm sure that will do for the damages.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
But you need to caution them.
I will caution them.
Please, do caution them.
I will.
Okay.
You come, no caution you. May I give you one advice that will help your life. You come. You start to do like this. You do like person when they chop well.
Yeah.
You know they dry. Blood not there, but you know they do you know they white. Ghost they fresh. You when they give ghost food, they dry up. My brother chop I'm not gonna fit kill ghost. I'm gonna fit kill you. Chop. Go chop
Ignore them.
Use it to buy food though, don't go and feed your chill.
It's okay.
Good. So that the cause are
It's okay. Thank you, sir.
Twisting. Where the girls they make.
Will you keep quiet?
Daddy, I need to leave here. I want to leave here. I don't like it.
What? This is my compound.
I have been the only one taking care of these girls since their mother, your sister, died. That's not been easy. That's why sometimes easy comes to go.
It is well, Mama. You have actually done a wonderful job training both of them. See how big they are now. I'm sure my sister will be proud of you.
I know so.
Anyways, Mama, I and my daughters came to spend some time with family before we go back to our final days.
That is very good. Very good, my dear.
Londonia people.
Look at them.
Londonians.
How are you girls doing?
Udo. Don't calm down now. So, Afa, before I interrupt your beautiful conversation with Mama, you got what you know about they call munch. I don't know whether you don't hear them before, munch. So, me and my sister like this, suppose they munch on something, like, because when I come back from abroad, even if na oyibo kuri o, oyibo abacha, oyibo akara, oyibo moimo, oyibo anyone, I don't like us to just sit down for this thing like people they do burial. You know, makes sense.
Will you shut up? Just shut your mouth. Who has ever told you that they prepare Momo in London?
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. I actually got something nice for both of you. I'll give it to you later. Okay, remind me.
No wala. Ta. Says no wala. As they come, so they supposed to be something we will chop. Mo go carry my phone. Mo go they tell everybody say, they come they not bring anything we will chop then for my side country they come. Which can't think that.
Chinelo.
You say me I talk now, Mama just the enter person in here. Be like, enter person up and down. Be like, Mama like poverty. She like cannot be say talk. She like poverty way.
Chinelo.
Like her.
Are you sure they're mentally stable? What are they even saying?
You know, they're far from sanity, and I can attest to that from here.
If the boy you will repeat that talk again.
Samsa.
Let's go. No, talk about it. What do you want to do?
Don't touch me!
What do you want to do?
Chinelo. You, Chinelo. You want to follow them? You want to follow them? I'm asking you want to follow them, Akwia?
No, let them talk now.
Samsa!
They don't only talk to me direct. When they talk to Chibuza and Chamaka, they talk to both of them, no yeah.
They should talk to Shibuza and Shamaka.
What's nonsense?
Chinelo! Don't worry.
Come back here.
You, I will just squeeze you. You are running, Akwia? You are running.
Come to me, girls.
What am I doing here? Oh, where am I? No network coverage. Oh God, what is this? Jesus, oh my God. Network! Oh, hi, Mom. Mom, can you hear me? Okay, Mom, please, you need to get us out of here before we die of infection. Mom, can you hear me?
Hello. Hey, honey. Yes, we are all good. Thank you. The kids are very good. They are enjoying their stay here. Yes. I'll call you back later. The network is very bad, okay? Bye-bye.
Come, I show you. Come now. You see this place? This place now be you now. You dey hear me so?
No. This is definitely not our room. Do people actually sleep here? I know you're joking. This is not our room.
They play, my fans. They play. Yes, they play.
Well, I'm not sleeping here. It's a no for me. I would rather sleep in the cemetery than to sleep in this garbage.
Okay, you for tell me that one now. Huh? You for tell me say you want sleep from cemetery. Cemetery dey here. Back of this our house, so you not too far. Yeah, they nearly bury the person for yourself. At least you'll feel make friends. Yeah?
What? Are you insane?
Before I forget, this place. Shey you see this place too. This place. Now where Chibuzo and Chiamaka they stay. But if you now know you not safe, may you now leave this place oh. Cause if you not near here, me and my sister go give you trouble.
And who are those?
May I tell you. Nah, the oldest rat with our house.
What? Dad!
Who be this one? Come on. My friend said, my best friend now you dey just dey run. Because say I want show you my friend now you dey run. Now you run the way she dey run.
What was that for? You just lied to her.
See that? We just got here.
And I'm catching a deadly virus on my skin. Just take a look at my skin. It's
Baby girl, can you just give this trip a chance? Please, you will be fine.
I won't.
I know so. I know you'll be fine.
No, Dad, I won't. I will call the police on you if you don't get us out of here.
Baby girl, I promise you, you will be fine.
Give me back my phone. I need my phone.
You are not getting this phone until you start acting right.
I don't understand. I need my phone.
And I said I will give it. What is that, my baby? What is that?
The rats in our room.
What? Rats?
Rats? Yes.
Oh. Okay, now Chiamaka and Chibuzo. Now Chiamaka and Chibuzo, I show this one. You know, find their trouble. Now they shout. They don't get to meet each other properly. You know, say as soon as I don't sooner.
Wait, what? You named the rats in your house? Dad, what did I do to you? Exactly. What did we do to you?
I'm sure they are playing. They are just messing with you girls.
Our pesto.
They are serious. Very, very serious. Inside this house, we have over 53 of them.
What?
Yes.
I'm sitting in the car. I am calling the NYPD.
For the rats?
Yes, exactly. For the rats.
Don't worry. We will fumigate and get rid of them, okay?
Okay, Dad.
It's okay.
Better.
Fumigate what? I want to get rid of it. I want to kill innocent souls. I don't understand. So why don't they assist? Want to kill them?
Are you considering yourself? You're mentally unstable.
What are you
crazy?
Saying? That we stay with rodents in the house?
The rodents they stay with us before na come. Then get family now. Why you want to take their life like that now? Okay, imagine now, So as you know, just then now in a culture, as I put small sniper inside.
Cyril.
You both are mentally unstable. You stupid girls, crazy. Yes. Dad, you know what? I'll find my way back to New York. And I don't need your help for it.
Candy, baby girl, no, you can't do that. Candy, baby.
Don't worry.
Candy.
They will not harm me. Chinelo.
This smells so good, Mama. I've missed our African dish.
Really? Ezinne prepared it.
Really?
Yes, she's a wonderful cook. You will attest to it. Just taste.
You know they chop our food before. To come back from
Dad, what's this? It looks like a misformulated meat pie without brownies. It looks nothing like a pie. This is so weird. Exactly.
Now this thing for food they call fish pie. Where you see the fish where they pie am?
This is so good. Girls, you need to try this. I promise you will love it.
Never. I'd rather stand in a
Mama.
movie train and die than to eat this.
Look, people eating with their hands.
Oh
That's so unhygienic.
You know what? I'm having some flakes. Me too.
We don't get some clothes though. Some clothes so you'll be fine.
Mama,
But we get that right now.
Thank you so much, Mama.
Get gravel.
Chinelo. Just keep quiet and continue your food.
Mama, if you want no. Those flakes. Look at flakes.
How in God's name is this even a kitchen?
Are you sure we're in the right place?
Well, the direction Granny gave us led us here.
We're screwed. So screwed. We can't use it! We can't use it!
James,
Mama.
you have a lot of work to do. Yes, in shaping these girls. I thought Chamsa and Chinelo were hot-headed. But with these ones, they are extra large.
Mama, she know my girls only know life of luxury. But I believe with time, they'll blend in. Just give them some time.
You see, I should give them time. No problem. I have said my own.
Dad! Granny!
Yes, baby.
We couldn't find our way to the kitchen.
The kitchen is right where I directed you people to.
We did find something, but it looks nothing like a kitchen. And we can't use it.
Yes, we can't.
Mama, could you please ask Chinelo or Chamsa to go help them in the kitchen? These girls, they cannot do anything in that kitchen.
So, Dad, please, we're standing.
Take it easy.
You see? What did you just say from your
Sorry,
mouth?
Mama. It's sorry.
No sorry.
Girls, don't be rude.
Chamsa! Chinelo!
Now says no go tell now say now that place now the kitchen, eh? Now too boy I don't understand though. Now they act like place with no cases. No be kitchen with this. Says no go tell her now say that this will be kitchen.
What are we supposed to do with all of this?
Stand and watch. I no go help you now do this thing again. I no go do one for you now again. Since now says no sabi do anything.
To burn down. The fire looks uncontrollable.
In fact, the fire, it go burn the full village.
What?
It go everybody die together.
Are you serious?
Take a seat. Aya, come on. If not, no chop. No.
Come back here. I'm trying to do something. Come back here. I said come back here.
It's a craze. You know this. It be like this smoke when I just blow. You enter your cells, you destroy everything when they inside your head. Craze so they enter your head.
Are you talking to me like that? Or report it to my dad?
Okay. It's okay. Please, can you help us?
Don't do that.
How do you
expect us to manage to do this? Don't you want to eat here? Please.
This is what this thing where you know they do. You no go help now. Do that thing, man. You see, do one. If not, you know, concern me. Why would they disturb myself? If you like, do one. If you like, not do one. Me, I don't chop my smelly fufu with vegetable soup. Like, do one, you not do one. You no concern me. Now watch up.
If you move an inch, you know what? You know what? Get out. We don't want you.
Exactly.
Yes, get out. Leave. Shoot.
Bye-bye.
You dummy. It's not like that. Do it by yourself. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, I don't have time. I don't have your soup. You're not even doing it well. At least I'm trying. I'm not doing it again. I'm not. Finally, food. I'm loving this.
What's be this one? This one not be malu shit.
What the hell is wrong with you? What is Malu shit? What is that?
Malu shit na pupu. Let me explain. Malu pupu shit. Make I explain how way. Cow pupu. Na malu shit. Cow pupu.
You both are so crazy. These are rascals. Exactly. You both need to be admitted in a psychiatric hospital.
We know. No wahala.
Oh, just shut the hell up. Exactly. Shut up.
Okay. Okay, so next time for the stars, they chop boys, no could not talk to you. And the time say this is na malu shit, is the shit where our cow for this village, na so they shit.
I can see you both haven't slept. Are you mad?
Oh, let's go. No, leave them.
I'll make sure you guys sleep in a cell today.
If you chop this thing finish, you go purge. God go bear me witness, I tell you. And I go die in 2 days, 3 days. And if I just say in a mess, I poo or move, I go sellotape in a yash.
You see what you've caused? Wait! Don't throw up! Hold on!
So now you go for now, you down, you go, and down. What be this? If you be like, if you be that malu shit, what would you talk about? No, what you did talk. Oh, shit, though. It's sweet. Sure. Oh, shit. Man. And I'm milk. Oh, shit, though. Nothing. Oh! This one now, if we chop her like 2 times, 3 times in a week like this, it starts to be fair. That's how we go fair. Don't you? Go stretch. We're gonna tell Mama, what's up, man? What's up, nigga? Hey, good. Sister. What's up, nigga? Come on. The pressure like that. Yeah, come outside first now.
Oh, status. Oh, I can't sleep in this room. We have rats sleeping with us in this room. Don't worry, they can't come while I'm here. Are you sure? Of course I'm sure. Okay. Wait. I can feel something at my back.
Come on, stand up.
Am I dead?
See this one. You go your house, go die. Now your house, you go die for them.
What the hell are you doing here? Why are you disturbing us?
I'm sorry.
It's over too early.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Your Highness. I came for your services.
Thank you, but we don't need your service at this moment. We don't.
If you slap this, this, break with your teeth. Come on, stand up. Let's go answer that compound outside.
How do you mean sweep the compound? Don't you have a stew word for that?
See what this one they talk. Look, I never cook stew. Yeah? I never cook stew.
You dummy. I don't mean stew. I mean, don't you have someone to help you do the chores? Like, Arzane, or whatever her name is. Yeah.
You get luck. Say she no catch you, they talk that word from your mouth. For you drag your mouth like this, mouth for long like power too.
Can't do so.
I'm sorry. But follow me, come outside.
See, just listen. It's too early. Exactly. Like I said, you and your sister should go do your chores yourself. I'm not moving an inch from here. That's just the truth.
You they tell me no, come outside.
Didn't you hear what you said? Go do your chores by yourself.
Oh.
Get out. Get out.
Yes. Okay.
Oh.
What's this?
Take this thing, not stress me.
Calm down.
Okay, take that thing. Take your own. Take this thing. Okay, I'll show you. It's like this. Like that. Oh yeah, take. Take this thing. Don't stress me. Oh yeah, soup.
It's not working. There should be some buttons.
Yes, exactly. Where are the buttons?
Oh, you should have some button. You just say, hey, now outside country rain a day. Come on, shoot this thing. Do on like this.
You know what? I'm doing this shit. I can't.
It's not moving.
Better get ready or you're going to fetch water.
I'm not fetching any water.
Oh, you not go bait. No problem. Oh yeah, sweep this thing well now. Do it well. Sweep this thing.
Do it by yourself.
Oh. Remember say you go fetch water. Oh.
I am not fetching any water.
Hey now. No problem. You're already, no problem. People don't drink water, you know, no drink. Bait, no bait today. You know go they smell like pig. No problem. Now if you see problem.
Yes, I got the mail, but I've not gone through it. I'll do that a little bit later. It's still very early now. I understand, Mr. Martin. Oh, but we can still discuss it. Let me call you back. Good morning, princesses. How are you guys today?
There's nothing good about this morning.
Exactly. Nothing.
We couldn't sleep last night.
And why is that?
Okay, we decided to sleep this morning. Then those chipmunks came into our sleep. We were forced to sweep this compound with one kind of witch broomstick.
Yeah.
And now we are being forced to follow those two rats to go and get water.
And the gallons or gurlons or whatever they call it are huge. Like,
My princesses, it is very okay. It's normal chores. Everybody do that. Yeah, I did that myself. Like these houses you see, their kids do that for them. I mean, it's also a good avenue for you guys to go and see the village. You know, since we came back, you have not been able to go outside this compound. You see how beautiful here is? Imagine how outside is. I mean, it's going to be good for you guys to go and see the beautiful environment. And I'm sure the borehole is not far away. It's probably that one that is along the road. Yeah, I'm sure you guys will be fine.
Daddy, you want us to start doing house chores?
Baby girl, it's a normal thing and it will not kill you.
Well, can I at least take a short nap before we go to the borehole?
Baby girl, you are already awake. There is no need going back to sleep.
I'm tired.
You will be fine, I am sure.
Daddy, are you certain that the place is not far from here?
Yes, I'm certain.
You sure?
It's a stone throw, I'm sure.
Dad, are you sure?
You will be fine. You will be fine, okay?
Could I walk fast now? Could I walk fast, oh? Obio, this one's safe. I don't tire. Walk fast, Hey. I bet more wait for them. You know, say.
I'm not moving an inch from here. Same here.
We never even go far. Now just 10 minutes. We don't waka.
10 what?
Una don't dey breathe like so. Now go marathon race.
Are we supposed to attempt a marathon? Huh? Are you getting sick? Can you call Dad? Do I have a phone? Why would you bring your phone out? Are you crazy?
Oh, how you want to even call your dad safe? I tell you now, better start up. We still get like 15 more minutes.
15 what?
Yeah.
Are you
Minutes.
insane? Are you both insane?
See, upstairs una no say, if we fill this gallon, now una go carry am.
I'm not carrying anything. I'm not carrying anything, like she said.
Let's go.
I'm not going anywhere.
Make una stay here. Okay now, no go delay us. If we go,
Bye.
come back, una go.
Just get out.
What the heaven? What the
Get
heaven?
out.
Oh,
Wait, your gallon.
nonsense. You not go beat today.
You was hell. Are you stupid? You're stupid.
How are you? Who is your Obio? Like there's something wrong with you.
See, what I do again? Tell me, if no be you be my Obio, who again? Obi.
You should go and ask your father that stupid question. Wait, Emeka, avoid me in this village. Avoid me in this village. Hey.
See, let me tell you, I love you so much. I swear, Makatuku, I swear. I swear. See, I won't even marry you, I swear. See, I capable, oh. I fit.
Love, okay, so a whole me, easy baby, who stoop so low to a village champion like you. Do you think I look like those village girls you roam around with? Emeka, the next time you try this nonsense, I promise you, I will land a dirty slap on your face. Idiot. Don't go and look for a life. Nyara.
I know you love me, but you know one talk. When my hand touch you go to know. Don't worry, I'm going to touch you. Hi, Charlie, see how this girl fine. Be very good.
Where they can go? Oh, I know the ladies can't see no. Ew. Jesus Christ. Sorry. Ew. Oh, which can't be this one now? See now, don't break my bucket because of all these children. Why now? Why you go break? Oh. See now, see. You turn back, they find them. Which can't be this one? Where they can go now? Where they go? Oh. Candy! Over here we leave them. Melody! Candy! Melody! Oh, ha! What is this nonsense now? I know they like this kind of thing. Well, those
Carry
old
this
rats,
thing.
they
No,
stop person.
whether they don't go house. Carry them.
Wait, my reason come for you.
Yeah. Give me. Yeah, no, they go.
Carry this one. My pocket now.
Candy!
Guy, you know say Man U and Chelsea play match today. That team just dey fuck up. I don talk say make dem comot Rashford. You no dey play anything. But coach no go hear me. I don follow coach talk, but he no go hear me. The guy just dey play rubbish. If I talk now, they go say I no sabi talk. I no sabi match. Fuck up team na, you sef check am. Alpha, I dey follow you talk now. Wetin happen? Why your face dey like shit?
I no happy.
Wetin happen?
See, I like that he's in me. That is in me. I love him. I swear.
You know be say my friend, I for say he don mad finish. You know how many boys wey dey this village, big men dem, wey dey try to toast that girl. Come on, you. No be say I dey insult you, my friend, like my guy. No be say I dey look down on you, but you, take am now.
See, that one no still, you know see me. I love that girl. You don't understand me.
Oga, that your dream dey massive. That girl get high taste. She get high taste. You check am. I no go lie for you.
So like this now. Now the advice where you want give me be that. As friend, as me and you don dey roll since. Now wait, I tell you say I like woman. You dey talk say you get high taste. So wetin dey try talk say I no capable.
I no say you no dey capable. I just say check your status. You are O level. Check your status. I no go lie for you. But sha, since you need my advice, you no need my advice. You need my advice.
Why you come dey here?
Okay, now, I tell you, pay attention. You know Chamsa and Chinelo. Those people wey dey like winch, wey dey just dey waka.
Those cookie. Wey
dey waka like that.
Those small short girls now.
Now I dey tell you. You know say they be Madam Nneka grandchildren. So now then you go meet. You know say na Ezinne na he take care of them when they dey small, and as they still small like that.
Baba, you dey lie, Joe.
I dey tell you, you dey like woman, you no be even know wetin dey sup. I dey tell you now, this is the joke.
Seriously.
So now only them na fit help you. I no go lie for you again. I go lie for you. I no go lie for you.
Bad guy. I say I know say this beer where you carry, you no be waste.
This thing I just give you now na help. A friend that help for free. This is what we call MMM. Now wetin I don't do for you be that.
Yeah, there. Chai. Even buy me this thing. You know be buy beer, this one go soon come out, no worry. But you get sense. Those two small ones.
Those two small.
Sharp. Thank you.
I think you no go try. I think you go give me your own.
You dey Chris. Now bust your head, you Chris.
Bad guy.
Melody! Candy! Where is she?
Oh, you guys are back.
Yes.
Welcome. Help your sister. And where are my daughters?
They never come back.
I don't understand. Didn't you all leave this house together? Why asking me if they're not back yet? Are you not supposed to be coming back with them?
Yes, but you know what happen as it's supposed to happen.
They said they don't tire. So we go tell them they wait for us for one particular place. Now we come back now, we don't even see them. Now because of them now, I don't mistakenly break my bucket where you supposed to use the bait. Water where I supposed to use the bait. As they find them, like then the bucket just fall for her head, break.
Are you girls okay? You left my daughters where?
We not leave them. They left us and said they are tired.
Shut up! Shut your mouth! I heard you properly. You left them knowing fully well that they don't know their way around this village.
Sir, calm down. They will not miss, yeah? They don't used to miss in this village. Even if somebody miss like this now, the gods of the land will bring them back home.
Gods of Oguri.
Yes.
Our grandfather. Go bring them.
Shut your mouth, both of you. Now take me to the last place you left my daughters. Take me to where you left my princesses. Move it!
Andy! Melody! It's far.
Anything should happen to my daughters.
Andy! Melody!
Samsa, Chinelo, why did you people leave them? Why didn't you escort them before you go and fetch your own water?
Mama, we don't know that they will leave now. We don't know.
You will not know. Yeah. What is this, my bucket? Hey!
Mama, we are talking about my daughters. You are talking about buckets. This house will not contain all of us if my daughters are not found, though. Mama, what if something has happened to them? What if some people have kidnapped them? Or something worse has happened to them, Mama?
There is nothing like kidnapping in this community.
Mama, how would you know? How would you know? There's no even means of communication in this community. How would you know, Mama?
It's true. They kidnapping me in this village.
Oh, God.
You shut your dirty mouth.
Mama, you heard that?
Calm down.
See, listen, both of you. If anything should happen to my daughters, these eyes of yours will see the back of... What are we even saying? Mama, leave me. Mama, you stop her well. Mama,
James, come.
Mama, leave me alone.
James, leave them. Melody! Candy! Where are these children? Eh? Are these not the children we are looking for?
Move it, both of you.
Come here.
Move it. If anything should happen to my...
Come here. If you leave, I will kill you. Stay here. Kneel down there. Kneel down there. Stay there. Your hand is dirty.
My goodness.
Your hand is dirty too, Akwaya.
Mama, stop. What is happening here?
Tell your father where I saw you.
What's going on here, Mama?
Tell your father where I found you people.
Tell him, in our room.
Good. Doing what?
Sleeping.
Have you heard? These children were inside that house sleeping whilst we were searching for them. And my granddaughters were punished for it. You see what I keep on telling you, James? Discipline these children. No. You are too soft for them. They keep on playing on your intelligence and you accept it. Thank God they are with me right now. They are here now. you people will receive it first-hand discipline. That's what I'll give to you. Now stand up. Stand up! Samsa, Chinelo, you will only escort them to the borehole to fetch water. You will not help them. The two of you will fill those drums in the next 3 days.
That sounds so cruel.
Shut up. Just keep quiet. It's an instruction. So you will learn. It is not cruel.
Dependent.
My friend, will you keep quiet? Just keep quiet. Keep quiet and go to the kitchen and go and set fire for food. Fast! And you, the two of you, follow them.
Easy, Mama, now. Easy.
Don't bribe me. Don't you ever bribe me. Don't you ever give me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Don't bribe me. Bam, bam, bam. These ones, are also grandchildren. These ones, you are seeing their grandchildren.
Mama,
I'm going to discipline all of them. No way. Nothing like that, James. I don't know.
Mama, please.
I will not take it.
Mama, please take it easy. Mama.
I'm not blame them. I'm not just blame them. See my body. See my body. See the way these girls don't cause. You see Anna? Shebi you just see her. Scotch up beating on top. Oh. See my body. You see her? See this girl no go scot free. I go let this one go scot free. I go do the something way they very bad. See all these children, they go collect woto for this ass. This ass, they go collect woto. See, this year we go shoot the sugar. Oh, yeah. May I even get what's in my mind now? And that's what in my mind now feel land us for sale. No, they talk that kind of thing now. I know they like when they talk, say, go let land us for sale. I beg you, I won't live my life for. I want to enjoy and well. Why enjoy your life for? What's in this life you want to enjoy? If you know they enjoy your own, me, I want to enjoy my own. I used to go to beg, I want to enjoy my life. As I did also, I'll achieve some things. Bring another better plan, more plan this thing. You know they talk, say you want to carry our enemy, go sell. I beg. Okay, our enemy, they go sell. You know they even listen to me. I said that plan where I get go Finland, two of us for sale. Not be me and you. Now only me, I get another plan, Sha. Oh, yeah, talk. You know they listen to person. I don't go fit to communicate with you. They listen to me. I say okay, this plan what I get now I go bring a mat now. Make I not talk a mail plan because if I talk a as I'm looking at you, I will go punch you. Wallahi, I will punch you. You don't know your mate again. Mo go the plan am. No be to talk am. For talk am go be like say we don't achieve am. Mo go the plan am. Mama, what's with that? My sister. I vex.
Honey, the kids are fine. You don't have to worry yourself about them. Yes, I know. See, the network here is very poor. Yes. No, it's just for a while. Once the house and the city is done, we are moving back to the city. Yes, it will be just for a short while. Okay. All right. Let me get them. Hang on. Girls. Hello, girls. Are you good? Anyways, your mother is on the phone. Yeah? Yeah. But any wrong word from both of you will be daily punished. Do you hear me?
Dad, please, I want to speak to Mom.
Here.
Hi, Mommy.
Hey, put it on speaker.
Yes, Mom.
Hey, Mom. I miss you so much, Mom.
Yes, we're fine. Dad, please, can I talk to her?
No. Speak now.
Oh, yes, Mom, we're fine. We're doing great. Yes, Mom.
tell the street you just the enjoy. They don't want me to enjoy everything. God go punish this shit. This one I don't like it. Too big for me. Hi. I like this one. Oh me. Yeah. 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 Let's go. Jesus.
Is it our series? What the hell is that? Oh my god! We got ambushed.
Daddy!
What is it, my princess?
Dad, we got attacked last night.
Attacked? By what? By who? Are you guys okay?
No, Dad, we're not fine. Our cereals are gone. The rats destroyed them.
The rats? You got attacked by rats?
You don't believe us, do you? You can go in and check for yourself.
And Dad, I'm already starving. And there's nothing left for us to eat.
It's okay, princess. It's okay. Yeah. I'll fumigate the house again. All right, and I will get you guys some more cereals. Sorry about that. Sorry. And I'll get you guys some more cereals. Okay?
How, Dad? Will you import it from New York to this place?
No, baby girl, but I'll sure find you something here. All right?
Dad, McChinley's only distribute their products around South America.
It's okay.
And I'm not sure you can find any here.
Exactly.
All right, it's okay. I will get you guys some much a very good cereal, okay? Even if not McChinley, I'll get you something very nice. All right?
I hate this place. I want to go back to New York. I hate this place. Oh my God.
Princess. It's all right. All right.
Dad, I hate this place too.
Please don't.
I do.
It's all right, baby girls. I'll make sure I'll get you guys something very nice, okay?
That's if you find one. Why do I feel that this is not an intention of the rats, but of someone else?
Chamsa and Chinelo?
Exactly. They did this. That's why they were dancing, mocking us, and laughing. They did this.
I should have known. They destroyed our meal. You know what? We have to get back at them.
Yeah, we do.
And we have to make it worse.
So, what exactly is the plan?
See this girl, so. Alpha. How you be now? Mona, wait. How you be now? Mona, wait. See, I come in peace.
What's happened now? Why you stop us like that? Why you drag our neck?
See, no need to fear. No need to fear. I come in peace. See, I just want to just be friends. You understand?
Friends, I spell waiting.
We know each other now.
We don't know you.
So we just be friends. We dey greet.
No, they greet. Okay, now. Good afternoon. Good evening.
See, Mona, wait. Yeah, Mona. Una don't chop.
No.
Una serious? Una never chop.
No.
Yeah, come on, we go chop now.
We'll go chop.
Yes.
You sure?
I guess I go lie for you.
I hope this one way the talk say mo go chop. He never steal.
Mo go chop.
Mo go chop.
Mo go chop.
Lead the way.
Jamu go chop. Wait una go like chop now.
No, lead them. No, what you pressing out.
Yeah now. Una dey with me now. Una be my friends now.
Let me that kind of first. Until we chop the food finish, we go come over there the friendship.
No worry. Una go chop belle full. You know say you get small body, you go chop belle full.
Ah. Thank God. Oh. You do well, my brother. You do well. See my belly? My belly don't even. They are having me. I don't get myself now. See, God will bless you. Yeah? We appreciate. Thank you so much for the food today.
Nothing.
But this one where they call seize your phone like this now for the restaurant. Let's call up one. I don't understand why they seize your phone.
They no seize my phone. Now I give her.
Okay.
Cash dey house.
Oh.
I will come carry him. Go there.
Cash boy. Yeah. Cash boy. You get money. But why you go answer that kind of question now? This guy when you see here, he get money. You don't look personal. He get plenty money. See what happen. He carries small money. You don't know say we go finish him. Oh. As you come finish the money now, you can go house, go bring the remaining money, make it take balance them.
Exactly.
I get you. Let me say no get money. Me no, I don't feel understand. I said she said woman carry. Okay. You say no. You get money. You get
Get with them even follow na talk.
What's with that?
Now about that una auntie, isn't it?
What she do?
Hey, I love that girl. I love him. I won't marry him.
Wow.
Just want to be laughing matter now.
Okay, so you love him?
Yes, now.
I won't marry him. Child. My brother.
Abi, I know capable.
No, you capable. That's why carry two of my sister and my sister go chop. Call using phone.
I capable.
Do counterbalance. Go house. Go capable, my brother. Capable, well. No, go house now. Go see tomorrow, yeah?
See. Ma, tell you, na follow and talk now. You know understand? Ma, go.
Make you go think twice, yeah?
Make I go collect my phone.
Go collect your phone first before you know the one where you do.
You no get money. What my way I want?
My phone.
Never get anything.
No worry. I will go pay. Now. Hey, Chimo. Yeah, my phone.
What kept the both of you this long?
Okay, something very important come up, so just say we'll go, solve them. Not be our fault. Something come up.
Something important, quoi. Something important kept the two of you this long?
Yes.
Or is it Auntie Ezine?
What happened to Auntie Ezine?
Oh, you were not aware that she was inside. Okay? Now, hey, open your mouth and begin to tell me the truth.
It's Emeka. It's Emeka that started shit.
What? That village champion Emeka?
Yes. He said he loves you and wants to marry you.
What sort of stupid talk is that?
Exactly what we did, Anshi. We beat him safe. We beat him, two of us beat him.
Mama, Emeka is mad. Let me go and treat his fuck up. What kind of rubbish is that? He will never repeat this again. He's mad. You should wait for me. I'm coming. He wants to marry me. Hi.
Follow. The two of you dress closer. Okay, so if I stand up, you will run. Okay? You can run more than me. Dress forward. Are you sure the two of you are telling the truth?
Yes, nah. We don't like it before.
My friend, shut up! Okay, where's the thing I asked you to go and buy? You are pointing your finger.
are you, my princesses? And why are you frowning? Why are your faces like that?
Were you able to get them?
Yes.
Really?
Mm-hmm. I told you.
What happened? I told you.
My princesses, please manage this. The major city is miles away from here. This is all I could get around here. Please, baby girl.
Dad, there's no other brand that is better than Mac Chili's.
I know, but you can as well manage this one, please.
No, this homemade. I bet Mac Chili's is better. Yes.
Baby girls, please try it.
No way, I won't.
Princess, Melody, you will love it, I promise you. Oh, God. Princess, Candy, I promise you will love it. It's also good.
Easy.
Emeka, has it gotten to the extent where you start harassing Chinelo and Cham Sound?
Harass? How?
You did not harass them. You did not harass them. So what did you do? Eh? See, listening to me and listening very good. Slippers get size, Emeka. How do you expect a whole me, as the baby, to stoop so low to a poor, wretched, smelling village champion like you? The next time you repeat such nonsense, I will deal with you. Nonsense.
I just wanted to be friends.
Don't go and look for your size.
This girl won't come my job. Where I pass this road? Hey! I might even go back where you come from.
You see you? Calm down, make I teach you. Make I teach you. You know Sabi, I'm not Sabi, make I teach you. Sam, go try like this. Come. Hey, Chimo. Pick up for me, I bet. Yourself, you know still pick up. Hey, let me catch this one.
You did this, right? We're talking to you. Are you deaf? Hello?
Let's be that. When I don't get respect. So you don't know what to say, you come here and see us, they talk, they do something, you call the shout, you crazy. You know if you come down, wait for us.
We know you did it. So stop pretending. You ruined our Mac Chili's for us. And now we don't get to eat our favorite cereal.
You go take fufu or gari and egusi now. You don't taste that one before.
Ew! Hell no! I ain't eating that shit!
Wait too. Chidi, who they chop shit with you now? Eh? You know where they chop shit, and I never talk say na shit now they chop. Sister. Where they chop better food where they give us straight. That they say that shit we they chop. That melu shit where now they chop for belly. When I know they see us, you don't see my skin. You see any scratch? You see anything? My skin. Don't forget about this one. Abino color. No, that one don't follow. Now see color here, see skin. See it's fresh. Yeah, milkshake. Now this one they say chocolate caramel. Ooh,
that's a lie.
I know again. I don't guess. I again to make her die.
I promise you will pay for destroying our cereal.
Hey, you come my bank account to go take her. Go my bank. First to do. No, they pay. You know they pay. Second to do. Yeah, go do. Pay.
We will sue you.
Sue your papa there. No, sorry. Sue yourself there. Idiot. Nonsense. You know, get sense. So since when they boy you don't enter court before. You know what it be court? You don't say that you go pay before you go sue anybody.
You know what? I hope you have your lawyers ready because we are coming.
No, you for come on, fight hand to hand. Something where we suppose use and fight. If you shut turn now, you won't go carry bazooka. No, leave her. Even if you like me go carry army or ogili, we go do one now, go fight her. You know rich now. Don't worry. So serious. Boy, you be Tiborable. I don't teach you this since the Easter they teach you too. I don't know this one. I think I know. Shut up. You don't go to the learn good thing. Shut up. Learn. See, do like this. If you try and up, pick up, you go land.
Ooh.
See?
Where the hell are we going to find the nearest police station? Oh my god. We don't even know our way back. I think it's that way. Okay, let's ask that boy for. Oh, okay. Please, excuse me, boy. Boy, please. We're looking for the nearest police station.
Yeah, police station.
Yes. Can you direct us?
Oh, now to the Chris. You the call boy. Similar arrangement. No, you see BS. What's wrong with this one?
Boy, you're.
Yeah.
You know what? Never mind. Just lead us.
They're never ready.
Oh, okay.
You can't see we're standing under the sun.
Be nice. Okay. Look. Please don't mind her. Please, sir, can you direct us to the police station?
Police station?
Yeah.
You want police station, right?
Yeah.
Okay. See that junction, yeah? You waka go down. Once you reach the end, you turn 360. You turn 360, by your left, ask the next place for them. My phone. Yes.
Do we look like we're joking? You know what? That's why he's shot. Yeah. Just like those 2 rats we have in the house.
Candy! Melody! Candy!
You mean you have not found them?
Mama, I've not seen them. Oh. I don't understand. They were here a few minutes ago.
Candy!
Melody!
Candy!
Come. Hurry up. Here, this is this place.
Who are they?
Oh, this is my father and this is my granny.
Okay.
And you are?
Sergeant the Kings with my fellow officer.
And where did you find them?
They came to our office to make a report. That's why I brought them here.
Oh, yes. I'm sure those hoodlums are still there. Yes. You better come out. Come out.
You mean you went to the police station to arrest my granddaughter?
Yes. For destroying our Marcelli cereal. Such audacity.
How could you do something
See them
like
there.
that?
You see them? Arrest them.
Young ladies, we are not here to arrest anybody. We brought you guys here to caution you before your father and your guardian. The police station is not a ground for kids play. If you have any dispute, you explain it to your guardians. I'm sure they will settle it.
They won't. This is an offense, and this matter needs to be taken to the courts.
The court will spark you for such cases. Mr.
And James Godson.
James Godson, please treat their problem and let them know that this is Niger, not New York. We will take our leave now.
Yes, officers. I will surely talk to them. Thank you very much, officer.
Then what was the need of you coming to this place? Why did you...
Shh. How could you?
So this is what you and your wife did to your children. This is how you train them?
I'm very sorry, Mama. I will surely speak to them.
You went to the police station to arrest my own granddaughters.
You rat!
If you take a step from where you are standing there, I will squeeze you. I will grind you. Nonsense.
So sorry.
Let's go inside.
Too short right here.
Get
inside!
I don't know why you call them. Let's go inside.
Shut up. How could you girls? What is wrong with you? What is happening? Listen, let me tell you. This is Nigeria.
So we need to go back.
Exactly. That
I want to leave here.
When I'm talking, you keep quiet and listen. This is Nigeria, not New York City. Stop doing all that. What is this? Just give it a try, girls. You will love it.
I don't want anything. I want Mom.
Mom isn't here anymore. I'm all you've got now.
I hate you.
I love you, Dad, but I don't want this. I want Mark Chinese.
Girls, I'll leave you to it. Just give it a shot when you're ready, okay?
That's it. I'm eating this food.
Are you feeling alright? How is it?
Hold on.
How is it?
Hold on.
You're so silly, I'm eating.
It's too spicy.
You know I like spicy food, so... Oh my god. It's so nice.
Take your name, and I know you want the same.
When you hold me, I see the end of the movie. Everyone thinks I will crazy. I see the end of the movie. Everyone thinks I will crazy. But maybe we are. I say it, of me to the part where you kiss me. Surrounded by friends and no family. I know I'm too young to get married. Later, I had a finger stick to the fire.
Shut up.
Why you for learn this song when you sing? My sister, as I dey sleep, I dey hear the song for my dream. I'm a musician for my dream. The thing just start ping, 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 ping. I said, make I can't join. Say if I don't join this one, thunder go fire me. Ha musician. Mama?
What is Mama? What happened to my pot of soup?
Pot of soup, quoi?
Who emptied my pot of soup?
Granny, you shouldn't be asking us that question. You should be asking them. We don't eat that shit. Exactly. Shit. Okay, fine. We threw the soup you gave us.
You see?
Yes. But I heard movements last night. Yes, we did. And I think it was Yes, this one here. Trellio's voice. Yeah, this. She was talking about this how sweet the soup was. Aren't you Cheryl?
Me, quoi? Cheryl.
Aren't you Cheryl?
Are you okay? You did mad?
Are you talking to me?
Who did I see yesterday night?
Stay there.
Hey!
What's your problem?
Hey! My sister! Oh! My love! My love!
For you.
Don't break our head! This bitch already collect so many things for me. Oh, my love. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Mama, what's now?
What happened to my pot of soup?
Mama, you know see all this kind of tea. I know the leg. And I'll let you the leg. No, you now.
Are you trying to call us a liar?
Well, okay, no, I cost me my mouth. Thank God I never even brushed today.
Ew! Oh no, my God!
Shut up! Let it be
no
you.
wonder everywhere was smelling. Yes, why she was singing?
Let it be the time. Let me to the knack. I just start. Night you don't come when I never brush.
Wait! You haven't brushed this morning.
Mama, nobody talks say if they brush every day. Say if they spoil teeth gum. Teeth gum.
Just shut your dirty mouth there. Samsa, I should come and smell your mouth, okay?
Because you want evidence and I give you evidence. Because smell that. You don't brush. No. I'm for so.
Chinelo! Chinelo! Shamsa, leave her alone.
Mama, they left for my head now. You supposed to know this thing now.
No problem.
You know what's in this head, the cat?
Shamsa! The two of you will not eat today.
Exactly!
Mama,
Yes!
that kind of punishment now. See, I know they get myself. I know well. My head don't they close. I know they get myself. I suppose to chop so I won't take medicine.
They're blind.
Yes. Mama, even me safe, as you eat my head for chair, I know they get etiquette now. Wait for there.
Check. Those guys play me big time. Hey. You know how much those guys chop from my hand? 10,000.
You spend how much?
10,000. Take feed them. You know wetin dey pain me?
Wetin dey pain you?
See, those two girls just play me big time. They play me big time. After I don't spend 10,000, take feed those two goats. They go, they tell their grandma and their auntie another thing. Just say they tell them sweet thing sef, I for even happy.
Wetin dey tell you?
See, they go tell him, they say, me, I dey harass them. Say me, I just they do them anyhow. I just dey, even wetin I no talk. Now they go, they tell him and grandma. Wetin I no talk, they talk sweet thing, say I like am. If you even sweet me now, just go, they talk anything. Omo. She even can't see me for road. Can't dey shout for me anyhow. She even land me better slap. If you dey there, if you see how the slap pain me.
Hey.
By whole lamb.
I don't tell you, say leave this girl alone. Find another person wey go like you. You refuse. Find person wey go like you, you refuse.
Me, I don't even tire. I don't tire. Ay, chai, that slap now they even pain. Hey.
I don't tell you now. You see children of nowadays now. It's as they do. I don't tell you. Forget this thing. But shall you fuck up? You fuck up. Why you go spend 10,000? You fuck up.
Hello? Hello? Yes, I can hear you. Okay. All right. I hope everything's in good shape now, right? Good. Yes. All right, I'll be there right away. Okay. Okay. I'm on my way now. Yes.
Wait there. Stay here. Wait, your sister. I will kill you today. You never see anything.
See, come, I didn't tell you, leave my neck.
Shut up your mouth. I tell you stay where your sister. They follow me, they talk anyhow.
All this chatting, I know the year because you know my neck cannot be break.
Shut up your mouth. I tell you stay where your sister. So after everything what I do for una go dey tell you the nonsense about me. What did I do you?
You my neck now, you want make I talk. Oh yeah, leave my neck.
Shut up. What did I go tell una sister isn't it?
Oh yeah, leave my neck first now, make we talk.
What did I go tell una sister isn't it?
Leave my neck now. You press my neck now.
Oh yeah, talk.
Hey, you supposed to leave my neck. Oh yeah, leave my hand now.
But I go leave your hand. Come on, talk at the time.
Leave hand now.
Shut up. I say make you talk.
Oh yeah, break the hand now. Break him.
What you now go tell isn't it safe?
I have leave the hand now.
Talk at the time you say make you talk. You tell me say make I leave your hand.
Oh yeah now. Don't be waiting talk to tell her. Which kind waiting I go tell her today? Now waiting you talk. Me and my sister go tell her. No be you want marry him.
So waiting I go talk.
Now waiting you tell her now. Say you want marry him.
Hey. So to what I tell you now, me when I go help me to talk this girl. Me she accept make she know say I love her way.
Oh, sweet talker, you forgive us only now. Mo put for mouth now.
So I go pay una to help me again, shebi?
You want to calculate all the money where you spend for my sister?
Okay. Yeah, now tell me. Wait una need.
Like 200k.
200k. You know wetin they talk you do you. 200k for waiting.
You don't like her?
200k for waiting.
200k now for that nyash now when you dey look so.
So now 200k I won't pay. Me una help me to talk person.
Uh-huh.
Hey, 200. Hey, I don't even know what I go do. So now 200k when I miss when I go use this to talk am.
Okay. See, oya leave my neck first.
Yeah, talk, I dey hear you. Talk, I dey hear you. They use me, they play.
Oya wait, see. Oya bring 50k come.
50k?
Oh, then 50k now.
50k now you dey tell. I go kill you.
Asandi o Wendy. Oh Wendy o. Everything what you do, your mouth get leakage.
Yeah. Where did you guys get all these things from?
Asandi o Wendy o. Asandi o Wendy o.
Now people are the follow talk.
Nah, one client like that. This now delivery. Yeah, delivery. Yeah. It's our delivery. It's our delivery from our client. A client. Yeah. They gave us to to mesmerize our brains.
Delivery. Clients. Which business una to get? No be mama dey feed una for here.
That's what we're saying. That we have, we don't turn billionaire now. Overnight now. You don't know.
No, they see like this baby billionaire bill. Una remains the house.
The winners. The winners. Okay, make I just tell you the thing. Since you say you want to know. Make I break the coconut, pour the water for your mouth. What if that guy name? That nonsense name. Emeka give us money. He said he like you, say he love you, want you pregnant, you want marry, you want to do this, like confess love do. Hey, you know get what Emeka no talk today.
Emeka.
Now you got the say make you the show and small make you the say natural love.
Emeka, that church rat, that dirty boy. Una won't tell me so una collect money from Emeka, buy all this thing to come convince me.
No. If I convince you, make I die. I will lie to lie. I don't go feel convinced now. Me. Even my enemy, I don't go feel advise my enemy make you go marry that mugu. That one a red flag already now. This is where they get himself. You know say one thing with small children, now children of these days. Once they get chicken change now for hand, they go feel say they won't marry anybody. They won't be in relationship with anybody where they see. So they spend the money. 5,000 naira will enter their hand, like will enter their head. So because they feel like say you don't enter rich kid. They knock out one like go for a rich gutter. So I don't go advise person make you marry that kind of person. No, I just bring the update so that you go no say see business so as bring the business come. So you go to take your own share, we will take our own share. Make it just be like that so that you go to bring the more business, you understand? So that the business go to grow. So you know it's now it go boom. All of us go benefit. Yeah. Just say pretend. I mean we just say the update to case, you know. Fancy boss like this. Because our boss like this we use your party to join.
Don't worry, that one sef na good idea. Hey, monkey go dey work, babu go dey chop. Next time una ask am for bag of rice. Na sha buy better thing.
A business no do.
Abi I no go drink.
I go drink.
Now top my head, now make me sef follow you drink. The Sprite no cold. Wetin happen? I no get the one wey cold.
Who ask Emeka?
Yourself. Who get this one? Na me and I go share. If I come place.
See your mouth don't touch, your smelling mouth don't touch this thing.
I leave and make I drink up. Carry this one, they go inside. One or two, they go. Nah, though. I bet una no forget bag of rice next time. No say rice, of course.
If you meet her next time, you'll give her what you want.
We are finally going to the big city.
So, Dad, are we going to get mac chilies over there?
Not really. Though I will check. Yeah. Though there are more interesting things in town. Okay, like going back to school. Yeah.
Yay! Huh? I don't understand. Resuming school. There? Aren't you traveling back to New York?
Yes, my princesses. we are going back to New York. Okay? But we just have to be here for a while, okay? Before we go back to New York. But before then, I need you guys to be okay with being here in the city, right?
Okay, Dad.
Yeah? Can be?
Okay, Dad.
Good girls. Alright, Daddy is going to refresh right now. I'll meet you guys later. Yeah? I'll be relocating to the city with my kids. Since I'm done with my house over there. You know, and the kids need to go back to school.
That is good.
Yes. As a matter of fact, we have literally days left here. In the village.
I'm so happy. In fact, you have tried. I just have to be honest.
Thank you, Mama.
James, what about your nieces? What happens to them?
I don't understand.
You are going to the city. You have finished your house, okay?
Yes.
With your children, you are going to enjoy life. Put them into a good school. These ones that are here, what happens to them? They will still be running around the community.
Don't sound like that, Mama. Okay, see, I will support their academics here in the village.
What are you saying? Okay? What are you saying? Have you gone around the whole of this village to see the type of educational system they have? Or do you like the kind of English you hear from their mouth? Man, don't say things like that. You will take them to the city and enroll them.
Mama, don't tell me you want me to take them to the city with me. You know that's not possible.
What is not possible? I'm asking you what is not possible. Eh? Oh, James, if your sister is alive and she hears you say this thing you are saying now about the future of her children, how will she feel? You take them to the city and put them in school. Don't begin to tell me English. No need to deliberate on this. Bye-bye.
Chelsea, are you there? Where they rush, they go. Calm down, no shut down. I see say you don't go tiffin. Calm down, now you will switch up. Sit down. What you up, my sister? Okay, Cap, what I tell you better good news. I hear say, Oku won't travel go, city. Mama called the agri Mama called the agri say, may carry us two of us. Sister, may carry me and you. Go city. So don't become city babies. City babes. Now me say my city dream don't they come true. I swear, see I go catch what like. Easy. Easy, my sister, come and eat. Eat down my face. Eat. No, go ask Mama. Eat first. Eat. You know what? I give you the food. Eat. You open mouth, chop am. This is why they pack the food they give me. Okay. You know why they give you the thing? So that they catch me say active food. I will tell them say na me and you join. You say my twins. I chew my teeth. If I thief, na me and you tip am. If I love, na me and you love am. If they kill us, na me and you they kill. My twins for life. Mwah! I love you. Thief with me, baby. Thief, eat. I don't chop again. Eat, you don't chop one, no. It's not. I next to chop, you don't chop am already. I don't want to chop, see for you. Come on, go ask Mama now. I will come, I will go confirm myself whether I will go to the city or not. I'll go pack Silencer clothes. Silencer clothes. Go use the do and trade. Shape my clothes. Make all of them. I'll go tell Mama say you eat this with Indomie. Okay. Wait, okay, shut up now. You misbehave sometimes, so come back. Mama. Mama. Not true. Waiting I hear not true.
Is your head correct? What is it that you heard?
Mama, what do I not say again? We two of us know say you don't edit on who say me prepare me carry us go city. We'll go enjoy life.
You see?
She tell me say you tell uncle make he carry us go city so we go flex. Enjoy life.
Go flex. Are you okay? Is there somebody in that room that is communicating something else to you people? I'm fighting so hard so that your uncle will take you to the city to get a resounding education and give you a better life in future. You're talking of enjoyment. Okay? You're talking of enjoyment. See, if you go to that city and misbehave, I will ask him to bill you people back to this place. Have you heard me? Say, Papa. Now leave this place. Leave here!
I was just noting now, just telling him. Go busy. Let's go and enjoy. We'll make money.
No, wait for me. I'm not fair. Let's go and enjoy.
What?
Girls, let's try to condole them, okay?
No, it's not happening. Dad, are they your kids now? I thought we were the only ones.
Of course, you are my one and only princesses, but they are my nieces. So grandma can no longer take care of them here in the village. That's why I need to take them to the city with us, okay? I need to give them a better education. This village cannot offer that to them. Besides, I also want them to be useful and diligent adults when they grow up, okay?
No way, Dad. It's still a no for me. I can't be under the same roof with those two cockroaches.
Seconded by me, Melody, the baby twin.
And if you insist on letting them join us to the city, we'll be forced to go to the embassy when we get to the city.
Yes, Dad.
I'll make sure they take us away from you.
Far away from you. Far away.
Easy, baby. Easy, mwah. Easy, mwah. How are you?
This one that you're hailing me like this. What is it?
I see me can hear you now. Easy, baby.
Hey, my girls told me what you did for them. Eh?
No, nothing.
Hey.
Compared to the one where we say they come.
I didn't know you had small cash. I was looking at you as all these village champions. Eh?
Yeah. See what I tell you. They're capable, no worry. We're enjoying it.
Hey. Amy. I'm in Canada or Japan.
Canada.
Hey. Hey, Amy, anything for me?
Before tell me on time now. Before tell me on time. So that I go prepare. So that I go arrange and way. You know, see man got prepare now. But no worry. I will bring something on your house. You understand now?
Oh yeah, no. When you're ready, you know where to find me.
Yes, sir.
Me.
Easy, baby. Chat.
Come be all this one. What's the happen? You should leave here. Come for you.
Your dream of following us to the city will not work. I assure you that. It will crush.
Crash. Now you all crash and target out.
Hey. Don't talk to her like that. You don't have the right to.
See this one though. Oh, you bought that. See. Target out of my. See, let me just tell you people, let me just give you one word we go correct you now sense. Look, I tell you now. This thing what you know they do for you. See, we not go follow you, we not go do this one. Me and my sister go follow you now, reach that city. Because God already write up for Bible say we city girls. You know if you change them, you know guy you want to do so you go change our city girls boo. Eh? And let me tell you something. If we reach that city like this, now in our bed we go sleep put.
You're just bluffing.
Exactly.
See, read my lips. You have no place in my father's house. And if you must, you'll be there as a servant or cook. Yes.
I don't blame you now. Because you now come my house, I don't place you as servant and cook. I forgive you that job. Maybe now they help me they cook. or help us to the sweep outside. You know, no sabi anything. I know you know problem. Eh? Since you know the gates. I don't know. Ah, Jesus. I blame my daddy. Not daddy to pump out.
Did you just... Are you speaking to us like that?
Who are they talk to? No Bruna.
What is the problem? What's this? Chinelo! Why would you do that, Chinelo?
Nah, let me just tell you the truth. If I told this today, you know go see that bone pick. Wallah, you know go see that bone pick. That body go the red like pepper. You know how pepper till the red. If you don't overwrap.
Will you shut up there?
Chinelo.
Mama.
What happened?
Mama, you know the city. See how they stand for road. You don't block the road. I don't do anything. No. They don't stand for road, block me for day. Because see, you know, see now you send me message. Don't block the road. See me, I don't go past my bring the water come for road.
Pick your bucket.
Like you did.
Chinelo.
It's fine.
You're sick.
You two of you go inside.
Go inside, eh? Sorry, eh? Sorry. Mama, this is exactly what I'm talking about. See, my princesses are already too much for me. Not to talk of having these two as well. Mama, I will die. I will die before my time.
Man, don't say that. Don't say such things. You are a good man. And I know you make a fantastic father the way I brought you up. Eh? All you have to do is to take charge. By the time they want to rear their heads, you press them down. Be a man. Mama. I see the way you treat your children with so much love. If you treat your sister's children with that love, without sentiment, you are done. You know?
Even at that, Mama, it won't be an easy ride. Look at what is happening here in the village. And what will happen when I'm alone there in the city with them?
Who says it is easy? Nobody. Responsibilities are not, they are not easy. They are not. They are the things that make us. And shaping those children that are under us. So be a man. Gather yourself together and stand as a man. Take it.
This one you're saying
take
now,
it, don't worry.
I don't know, but I will try my best.
You try your best. Oh, let me go and finish with the soup. Your favorite. Don't worry.
This is my princess.
Calm down, James. Calm down.
Okay.
Your princesses and these ones are all princesses. You know?
Okay,
Take care, eh?
Okay.
Be a man.
I've heard you.
Don't be tired so soon.
Mama.
Let me finish up. I'm coming. Oh?
Okay, Mama.
Chinelo!
Candy, Melody. Oh, yeah. Let's go, girls. Let's go. It's a long way drive. Come on. Where are your bags, girls? So, who will carry your bag for you?
What's wrong with you? I am the eldest and my sister.
Girls, wait. Step back, all of you. Step back. Thank you. Sorry. Chamson Chinelo.
Dad!
It's okay, my love.
Dad, I don't
okay,
like
baby
this.
girls. Come.
Dad, I don't like this
It's
at all.
okay.
It's not
Sorry
fair.
about that.
Go
Sorry.
inside.
My
No,
princess.
no.
Sorry.
This is where you belong, at the back. Stay there.
You are now behaving like a man.
Oh, Mama.
This is it. Anytime they misbehave, reset the brain. Eh?
Oh,
Set their brain.
let's
Take
try,
it.
Mama.
Always try. Eh? Save Johnny. Oh.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you. Do take care of yourself.
Yes, I will.
And take your medication.
I will.
Ezinne.
Yes, sir.
These village boys. Don't allow them to deceive you.
Nothing like that will happen. She cannot.
Anyway,
she cannot.
I trust you, Mama.
You know now.
All right, Mama.
Save Johnny. Oh.
It's a long journey. Let's start going. Yeah. It's okay.
Okay. Bye-bye. Hey. They are gone. You heard what he said. Move inside. Before you and Emeka will begin to tell me story, it cannot happen. Yeah. Banya inside the house.
Easy, baby. How are you now? Oh, Malaysia.
Emeka. Or Amy na Canada or na Japan.
Guess what?
What?
I have something for you.
Eh.
Yes, sir.
Hey. Hey. Oh. But Emeka, I would have prepared rice to all these things.
Yo, no, wahala, next time.
Don't worry, let me put it inside, yeah?
No problem. Easy, baby. Let me help you and pee your orange. Hey. Ay, this girl really like me. Hey. Let me help you and pee this one. Hey. Man, I no go cut myself. Hey. More. Hey. This thing goes sweet. Hey. It's sweet, oh. Easy. See, you keep am waiting now. You never drop am. Easy.
What is it? I don't give me the name. Why shouting like that? Easy, 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 easy. What is it?
What I do now? What I do?
Do you have something else for me?
Me, I'm busy inside. Everything easy, easy, easy. Because what did you even bring, Seth? To kill me.
Don't see this guy. Hey! See, she don't use she don't use them for me. Hey! After every chai.
Oh, welcome, girls. Welcome. Make yourself comfortable. Yes.
Snap me now. We no snap alone.
Are you mad?
Who they mad? Say you mad.
It's okay. It's alright, Chamsa. Just keep it. We'll take photos later.
What? Okay, welcome. Hey, so much.
Abiodun, how are you?
Okay, you're welcome. Oh.
Thank you very much.
Hey.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Girls, meet Abiodun, the cook.
Cook?
Cook. If I answer me, cook what the person go chop.
Yes. He's qualified, eh? He's a qualified chef.
You will like it.
This one. Man, they cook. I don't know. The food no go sweet now. See ladies here now. Go cook them. Cook them. Food the person go chop.
Anyway, Abiodun, what do you have for us?
Okay, very well then. You see, I prepared jollof rice and chicken.
Okay.
Then fried rice and turkey with salad.
Nice.
And then boiled yam and egg sauce.
Wow.
Okay, I prepared our native food. Okay. You like it? Amala at you with.
What the hell is that?
I'm not yet done, sweetheart.
And who is your sweetheart?
Never mind. Okay, I prepared pando and vegetable soup.
Wow. Very nice.
Very nice.
You made all this thing already?
Yes!
Wow, nice.
Bros, that vegetable soup and pando now you do for me. Because as I dig it so straight, look, see, straight no the Bible. Even they as this John did, they used short, they drag on my blood. Come on.
Yeah.
They chop pando, don't chop pando before. Okay, I don't want chop pando. The things that you mentioned now, I never hear food inside. Now make I just come down and listen again, make I know whether you go food. So for me, you go make fresh fufu, the one with the smell. You know, now that smell I want. I don't want the one with the smell. You go feel mix and put vegetables.
Ew. What are you both even ordering? Please, I need salad. And make it quick.
She here with my sister talk. Fufu where they smell, that thick smell, you know that thick one. With vegetable soup. One a panto with vegetable soup.
Dad, are you going to take this? Can you both shut up?
Talk and do, talk.
Dad, are you going to allow this? Are you going to let them turn this house to the village where they came from? Well, I won't let that happen. You! We all are going to eat something light today. So I want you to go to the kitchen and make salad and chicken. Have I made myself clear? Dad, I'm sure you like that too.
Yes, my girl.
You both should shut up. Shut the hell up.
You not go shit. Don't let go full of. Oh God, don't tell you what to me and my sister want to, and that's funny. Period.
Abiodun, you've heard what they said.
Yes.
And I hope you are up to the task.
Okay, we try my best.
Okay, please get the fufu ready. The one that have the smell.
The one that smells?
Yes, please get it ready for them.
This is our bag. We get maid will carry and come. Okay, maid. Carry this bag. See, things they inside this bag. I don't want you to say something break inside.
So, Abiodun, just... Okay, Abiodun, please show them to their rooms. Okay.
Alright, fast, no they waste time. Come up.
Girls, go up. He will join you guys now. Okay. Please show them to their room.
I dey find you sis.
I'm not happy at all.
Wetin happen? So we keep face like far away.
In fact, now you give me that advice. When be say you tell me say man I go meet those two short things. So I go take meet Ezine.
No advice I give you now.
Shut up. You be fool.
Me?
You are a fool.
You be fool.
Now you be fool.
You be fool.
Now you be fool.
Now I put am to you say you be fool. You be fool. Honorary, I tell you say go meet those children. Beg them. Make them help you. You carry money. In fact, you know say you be ogbono.
Now you be really
now
fool.
You be.
Now I don't carry all my money with the account.
I send you. Beg these children, make them help you. You go give them money. After you go say you get sense.
No worry.
You go say you get sense.
Affliction will not rise again.
Wait, calm down. Which affliction when you know they rise again? I say talk to them. Ma follow you now. Emeka, follow this. Wait for me now. Where you dey go? Wait for me.
Wow. Oh, this is so fun. Hey! This is so fun.
What the hell are you doing here? Boundaries. You're not meant to be here.
Oh, God, calm down. Calm down, no they shout. Eh? Our room still fine too.
And sir, that's none of our business. Get out.
I beg.
I said get out!
Get out! Let it go!
You know what? I'm telling Mom about that. About Mom. I miss her. I know you do, and I do too. Mom, I think Dad is hiding something. What? About Mom. From us. But we'll think about that later. We'll settle that later. Yeah. We need to settle it.
Can't tell me that now. I fear you. Why you go do hey? You don't go talk like normal woman be. I told you. If you see that room, Jam is fine. I don't know what thing I go press for this television. The thing not the movie again.
I been a screen touch. Leave him, just leave him. Me uncle can't do him by himself. Leave him. Come say now we spoiler. Use your sense now. You tell them say now the children and you spoil. Drop on. They go for twice yours. We'll go find out what's in that movie. They go for kitchen. Hey, not true. Oh God, cook. What are you cooking?
I just seen the meat.
The meat. What about our cooking?
I know this one I won't face do now. After this one I will enter now. Wait till the problem.
You don't marry?
I don't understand. I mean, ask that question.
Just they ask friendly question. Say you don't marry.
Yes, I don't marry.
Because I wonder how man go they cook for man. You know me sense, my sister. Because I know see now woman like they cook. Why God create woman? I just tired. Hey. Man when they cook for man, what be your plan? No, what's in your mind before you come this house? What you carry from mind say if I come this house now, what you go do? Let me ask you.
Wait, I won't understand Una too now. You mean say Una from that place come here to ask me this question for my own kitchen?
Hey! So now in kitchen. Hey! Okay, you carry kitchen from your village before you get to where you come here.
You say?
Because I don't say people like you don't get money. I don't go say from city where you come. Now from ghetto or village.
So the one I do for that place no do Una. Una don't carry Una trouble, come meet me for my own kitchen.
You carry kitchen come. No, answer me. I don't ask simple question.
See, if Una no come out here now, Una no go like what I go do now. Come out from this.
Calm down, I don't ask you this. Come on, shut up your mouth. You get crazy. Shut up, I slap you. Crazy, don't worry. I be not mad. Okay, because say you did my uncle kitchen now, you uncle fed bit of us. Like crazy, man. That's right. Let me tell you. The man. What you want to do?
Oh yeah, if I don't come out here now, I go use this to cut Una legs.
Go where? But you know, say this guy now, he be like it okay 1 or 2 blessings enough. You no go kill anybody. Make you try and my uncle house. And they come now go send message. They come. No be 2 of us go deal with you. We'll go call people who go call deal with you. Don't worry, we'll come. You want to cut our legs, Abby? We'll come. Oh, let's go.
Hey! What else be this? Okay, go carry 2 more people come here to give me this. No, I don't. Hey! These girls won't try me for this house. They won't try me for this house. Hey! You give me the knife for those small children. Hey! You won't keep us why no go do it? You know what you talk? Then you open your mouth. You should come leave me. No even change my mood now because my body they hot now. You know what those girls do? Okay, you know they when the organ introduced me to them. No, wait, make I just to make you understand me very well. Oga carry me come here, I say make I come greet Oga. My Oga where Oga be. As I come here, Oga introduce me to these girls. These girls begin to give me order. This one stand on, so pion. This one stand on say, make me, after I don't even tell them, line up of the food where I don't prepare for them. This one say, you know they eat this one, make I prepare the one where they smell. This one say, this one, if you see all the way these girls, they give me here. They even call me Oga, Mister. I don't understand though. The girl look say, I no use the knife, cut those their legs. I will cut them. They don't know who I be. I am a choosing. Yes, I am a choosing. Who are they? Calm down, fire them. Calm down. And those 2 ones there. I don't know where you can go carry those ones and come. The 2 Hey, that be my problem. The 2 like I don't understand. Especially the one where the chick did do. That one to talk. I the target that one. If that one enter my trap, wait I go do it. I go squeeze them. For my mind, when Oga they talk, they don't know what's in my mind. And they say, hi, I wish say Oga no day here. I forgive them not for their head. Come. So that they go no say I be choosing my pole. These girls, they're very wicked. They're very wicked. After every way they do, they still carry those their legs. Waka enter my kitchen. They ask me questions again. Wait till they prepare. Wait till they prepare. Now I say thunder fire you. If you don't live here, don't even talk about those girls too wowo. It's too wowo. Wait to person we born the children self. For the person mind, then they happy saying born children. I no sure. I no sure. Because I remember when Oga they roof this house, the person will connect me for this gate man work. Tell me say Oga from Obodo Yibo and he get 2 children. I come surprised when Oga return back. Go carry 4 girls come. And you see those ones who get small. Where small? Now those ones why they talk. You see, their head be like my village. You just sit down on top them. Those ones they talk. You see, they used to talk to me for gate. No be Oga born those children. Hey. Those 2 people, no. You see those people way fair. They resemble Oga. But you see those ones very small parts. They like our deity. Those ones no work. They too. How they know? God, may they reach my trap. I will show them. I will use that knife and finish them. No. Now me are there for this house. Person. You want it? You see they talk? Follow me. Come on. No talk. No talk again because my body they vibrate. Wait till these girls they show me for this. They never come. They don't show me pepper. Me. They don't know who I be. I go show them. No go keep us in children one day. Come eat.
Princess.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay, Princess.
Oh.
Why are you not sleeping?
Melody wants a bedtime story, and it's been a while so does one.
Oh, really?
Yes. Dad, are you sure you're okay?
I'm okay.
You know you can talk to me about anything.
I know, my princess. And I promise you, I am fine, okay?
Okay, Dad.
Up we go. Let's go read some stories.
Okay, guys.
Chamsa, come outside now. Chamsa, hey! Chamsa, come outside. The shit is coming outside. It's coming outside. Hey! Chamsa, come outside now. Come outside. Aye.
Staring at? Staring? I'm not staring at anything, no. You're not staring at anything. You're just admiring my brother. Like it's your first time of seeing him. Is that Steve? Hey! Jesus Christ. When did he come back? He came back yesterday. Oh. He said he wants to get himself prepared for their competition before going back. Bro said the noise in town could not give him the concentration he needs. I can imagine. Okay, so what are you doing here? Hey, I wanted to tell you about. Remember Nkechi? What happened? So she wants to do her wedding. So I'm her chief bridesmaid. So I came with the Ashebi cloth. I wanted to know the color you would prefer.
How did you understand now? You know the press. You hear the... Come on for day, you know, Zubby. What? No be waiting and do. Come on to you too. Wasabi. Me, I don't want to make that stupid boy Obio do the cook for us. I don't like him. Person will chop finish, go cut the purge. It don't make sense now, Abi. It don't make sense now. Tell me we use our hand to cook what we go chop. As you know, if you understand now, what we go do now? Hey, we'll go find firewood. As you talk the firewood now, see as I say, you know what I say? Matches. Stop firewood now. No go find fire. No, don't sabi. No firewood. We like and cook something. Let's be this now gone. It's not waiting. Now gone. But like this one village gone to do. I where you go keep pull hand now. You know say now for fancy wood now like this. I want shit down. Yeah. No, yet. See. You see. Okay, drop something. Let's go and look for firewood. For firewood now. See this big one. Take this one. Take that one for me. Leave it for me. Just take this one. And this one's yours. Give me this one. This one is okay. Let's carry this one. This one. This one now pass now. This one not okay. Let's go.
That.
Open this gate, Joy. He has to that gate.
Hey, wait. Open gate for now. What? I asked you to open gate for now. When I carry this firewood, they go. When I carry this firewood, they go.
Blind Batty. It be like you know where you just wake up for your left hand side. Abi, you don't know what to be to greet person. Person where employ you. You don't know what to be. If you wake up for morning, you greet person.
Get out. Greet who? Who employ me? No, employ me. No, employ me for this work. My ass on her.
It be like you don't tired to do this work. You get as you go take talk now. You get as one word go take come up for your mouth now. I'll go tell my uncle they go fire you. You know, Abi?
Shut up. Which one be is sack? Now me they carry sack the threat. Now me they carry fire the threat. See if you talk Indian, I will carry better slap now. Offer you the craze. They talk.
Hey,
Lelo, Butu.
No, they tell me Butu.
Calm down. No what if you do. Calm down. No fight. Calm down. I know so you strong. Calm down, yeah?
No, they tell me Butu.
No, calm down. No show yourself.
Give me my enter this.
No, never enter, yeah? Calm down first. Make they no enter you first.
Calm down. If you sack now. Hey, don't worry. We'll go sack him.
Go sack her.
No problem. We'll go sack you.
Go sack you.
Come
Fear
on,
our return. Because you don't go funny. My sister, make we go.
Don't worry. We'll go sack you.
You mad. Make we go.
Hey, this would mean
Small play while they play with them, they don't talk. They don't sack. Jesus Christ! What is happening here?
We're cooking.
You are cooking inside the kitchen with firewood. Do you want to burn down the whole house?
We're cooking, sir.
Put that nonsense off now. Put it off! Do you want to burn down the house for God's sake?
Sir, please. Please, Mama, do on now.
Oh my God.
No, just Mama. You don't go take go. Yes.
I'm talking yourself. Get up, move! What kind of people are these? What is this nonsense about? Huh? Listen, anytime you both need anything in this kitchen, call Abiodun. He will help you with it. Out of here! What nonsense? Let it be the last time both of you do anything unusual in that kitchen again. We have a cook here. If you need anything, you speak to the cook or you come to me. What are you girls thinking? Placing the firewood in the kitchen? What is that for?
Sir, Uncle, thing be say our lives don't almost die last night. Almost died last night because of one nonsense soup where the Yoruba man cook for us. What thing is sabi cook? No be open manu. Yoruba and manu pepper. No be what thing they sabi. You go check the sock away. You go see sock away. You don't almost full because of our sheet.
Even at that, both of you listen. Whenever you need anything in the kitchen, you either speak to the cook or you speak to me. And the necessary adjustments will be made. Have I made myself clear?
Uncle. Yes, sir. No one make affliction rise again.
Can you shut up your mouth? Talking and you're talking. The next time such nonsense repeats itself, I'll deal with both of you. Have you heard me?
Yes, sir.
Out of my sight.
You say if we no fit talk to her, make we talk to you.
Yes.
Okay. So one soup, two of us will cook.
Will you both get out of here? Get out of here now! Remove it! Nonsense.
Sir, I will beat them, oh. I will beat them. I will just beat two of
Get out, both of you!
I'll beat two of you.
Move it, come on. Come on. Nonsense. You make sure that doesn't happen again.
Which kind of thing be this one now? Eh? When you come in car with shit, you pack a food here. Which be this one now? Which be this one now? Eh? Which be this one now? Huh? You pack a with shit, but everything for here.
Those girls won't work at all. Imagine those girls won't burn down this house with fire. How? Why?
Hey, I talk am. Hey, I talk am. You make I see those girls, eh? I know say they get evil for mind. You make I see them with firewood. Hey, I know say they get bad thought for mind. I no go cook inside kitchen with firewood. Where it dey happen? See, that was no burn down this house. That was no burn this house reach grand. Eh?
I dey tell you. Hey, thank God. God of my pastor power is at work. I dey tell you. Because if they burn this house, who do go blame? Who do go hold? They go say na me. Because na me dey enter kitchen. You dey see am? Wetin they go do? They go say na me burn the house. Hi.
Hey, boss, Abiod. See, make I tell you. Dey very careful with those children. You no go land you for trouble one day. If you see something, talk the thing before it happen. Because they go set you up one day.
They no fit. Now you dey talk this thing? Okay, you don't know who I be for this house. I am a choosing. I am a choosing. Who are they? Okay, you don't know what's going to happen. Okay, make I open your eye. Now this same thing where I see for dream. As I see at this house, this mansion just catch fire. Hey! Yes! As the house they catch fire. If they catch the fire, they increase higher. They go higher. They go up. They go up. I see they go. Now I look the fire. I say, what? Now I go close to the fire. I begin ask them. Oh fire, who are you? I am a choosing. I am a choosing. Who are you? Now I hear the voice of my pastor power. He said, son. I said, daddy. He said, come close. And they come close. He said, keep coming. Now they come. He said, continue. Now they come. As I reach, they say, look at the fire. Now they look at me. Say, look at the fire. Who are you? I said, daddy, I am a choosing. He said, grab the fire. Now I grab her. Whoop. Yes. 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 As I grab the fire, I hold him. My hand is shaking. He said, hold it well. And I hold him. He said, continue holding. I hold him. Oh, I hold him. My hand is shaking. He said, hold him. They look my hand. Oh. Now so they shake. As I hold him like this, now the fire just off.
Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Jesus.
Power. I see.
Hey, Abiodu. You can lie, you.
You said?
You feel life for Jesus. Hey, you carry your hand, catch fire. Your hand they shake, fire they catch for your hand. Till you go come out, boom. Hey, now say they lie.
Okay, they lie. Okay. No problem now. So you never talk about me?
Hey, you never reach like that now. Don't carry food, they threaten me now.
No.
You off the fire.
You say?
You off the fire.
You go
hold the fire with your two hands.
I hold him.
Yes.
I hold him. He dey vibrate. I still hold him. He said, hold it, son. I hold him.
You cut off.
Cut off.
Hey, you try.
Now you say I dey lie.
You try. No, like, no, me talk am.
Hey! Onga do. Chat. No food to eat, no water to drink. Oh. The water where I get no taste like food. Oh. The water where I get na ordinary water. Oh. Onga de mama me. What's it with that? You know this one I see you. You no see any other thing at all. Even biscuits. Now only do cut away all shit full inside. Now I even see for inside the fridge. Oh, me I don't even dey sing here already. I don't dey sing hunger. You know say you get a sing hunger will take my you go turn musician overnight. I don't already become musician. Now wow. You go give me chorus for this song. No producer make at least go use that if the song blow. We go dey get the money they feed ourselves. Okay, why would it be the reason why you call the same? Me, I not come here make a con kill me. I for cook the village. See what place it take. Can you imagine? You're supposed to take that smelly fufu. That one with the smell with a goosey. What? Give me colors, give me back up. Okay, oh yeah, start on now. If they sing, I go give expression, say the hunger, they really the mama you. Oh, but now what people they like, so that they see you. They're gonna say the hunger, hold you well. You understand? Well. Hunger do, 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 hunger do. I no see food to chop, no water to drink. Hunger do, hunger do. The water where we get, it don't be like food, oh. Hunger do, hunger do. Hunger do, mama, me and my sister. Hunger do, child. We go school, come back, we meet hunger.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't see you.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's fine. Don't worry. It's fine.
Isn't it? Wow. It's
me.
been ages.
I came here a couple of days ago to see Amanda. You were training, so I said, let me not disturb you.
My training has really eaten me up.
Ah, I can understand.
Oh, my sister, she just stepped out now. But,
I didn't come here to see Amanda. I came to see you.
wow, that's nice. You can come inside.
Okay.
How have you been?
I've been good.
Looking bad.
No, I'm not a bit.
So how's the family?
Everyone is fine.
Isn't it?
Stevie.
Really? She divorced you? Wait. Was that the reason you returned to Nigeria with your kids?
My brother, I had to lie to my kids that we are coming home for a vacation. That's why I took them straight to the village so as to buy myself time to finish up with the house here in the city. My brother, the house is done now, and I can't keep on lying to my kids. I had to tell them. I don't know how to do that because I know that will definitely break them.
I don't know the best word to say. This is deep. All you did for her. I understand how you feel, alright? But then, about the kids, you just have to find a way around it, and you need to know. The earlier the better, I guess.
That is the issue. That is the issue. But hopefully I'll find a way. I'll sure do.
Dad! Welcome back, Dad.
Welcome back. Thank you. How are you ladies doing?
Fine.
Good. I have news for you girls.
Wait, Dad. You finally found McChinley's cereals.
No, not that, but I promise I will find it. I will keep looking until I find it. Where are your cousins?
I don't know.
Chamsa! Chinelo! Come. So how have you guys been?
We're fine, Dad.
Nice. Hello. I'm beautiful. Hello, there you go. Hello. How are you guys doing?
Fine.
Awesome. See, I am enrolling you both and your cousins into the same school tomorrow.
What? You're putting us in their school.
Exactly.
Oh, my sister. We're going to school. We're going to school.
Yes,
We're going back to school. Thank you so much.
It's good. Embrace yourself, ladies. It's time to sharpen up your minds again, eh?
I was shopping and like shopping.
Good.
Thank you, sir. God bless you so much. So, they'll wake us tomorrow now. Tomorrow morning, when I go just wake up. I'll wake up. When I go to school, I go just try wake up. Make all of us follow go. Yeah.
Who is waking the both of you?
You go wake us.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
All right. Get your things together and get ready. Isn't that great?
You guys should just shut up, ah!
Don't let them be.
Dad.
My dear.
I hope they don't cause severe damage in school. Because they will pay dearly for it.
Don't say that, sweetheart. Nobody's causing any damages, okay? All right. Get ready. First thing in the morning, we are all living together. Okay. Come on, ladies, share up. It's a good thing. At least you'll be in the same school with your cousins.
Good thing.
All right, ladies. Take care of yourselves and get ready for tomorrow morning, okay?
I hate those two.
Yes, Chinelo. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Sir, I don't want to ask you a question. Sorry for disturbing you, sir.
It's okay. What is it?
Sir, you know, since when me and my sister come this house soon, this fine house soon, we never eat any better food. So, the one we bring from village, don't finish. So, I don't tell you, say, if they call next time, maybe buy curry and vegetable, or cook soup.
My God, I actually forgot. I wanted to get some for you guys today, but I forgot. But not to worry. Tomorrow, I'll get some so you guys can make it and eat, okay?
Uncle, it's too much. Thank you, sir.
It's okay.
Thank you, sir. Uncle, where the pampa, Uncle, where the bless. Forever you're my uncle.
Uncle,
and you be the best. Hey, when I look around, I see my uncle everywhere. And you be the very best. No, my uncle be the best. Thank you, sir.
Chinelo, I'm actually going to bed now, okay? Have a good night's rest.
Okay, thank you, sir. Uncle. Who they check out? Who they? Hey, uncle. Thank you, sir. Hey, he don't tell. So basically, they jump cow shit place. What's happening? He talks say go buy out tomorrow. What will be this one now? What will go happen tonight? No, this night now. What will go happen? Because you know, say person fee sleep this night now. No go wake up tomorrow. If you not go wake up tomorrow, what will go happen to that money we go use buy that tomorrow? Make you come up buy this night. What will go chop this night? Wait till be time. Your village they never closed up. Okay, what will go chop this night? So we'll manage that Melu street. Send you a message, you no go ever go out straight. Why you not go? You go branch somewhere. You must branch. Why you not go branch somewhere?
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. I couldn't sleep last night.
Why? What happened?
I was thinking about you.
I had the same thoughts too.
Are you serious?
Yes, I
Can we go inside?
What the hell is this? Who ate them all? Where did they all go to? You did. You did.
I did not.
Then who did? Stop lying.
I said I didn't. Ah!
Girls, we have to start going now.
What is this?
This uniform is going to be good. Ah! They won't go be like barrister. Yes. Barristers. Barrister Chinelo in council. Hello! Chineke! Chineke! Bounce it! Cloud for my sister barrister. Who? Oh, yeah, carry book, I'll be speaking English. You know what? Zubby. So what you want me for future? You want to become barrister? What you want me? Future president. President General among the. You try. My own be like, what did they use? They go club. So now club, I want to use and I want to work for club for future. For club? Yes. Yeah. So I go to wear for my clothes. So if you cook like this. As a mama. Come on for that. Enter the club like that. Dorime. Azu. Two bottles. Give two bottles of Azu to these two mama there. Yes. Look up us like this. My sister.
Village rascals.
All this yellow fever chicken stuck come outside.
Are you okay? Who is the chicken?
Here. Okay.
Who destroyed our cereal again?
Cereal. We the chop on a cereal. See. No be Sarah. A series. I know. Now me just they give a nickname. Na Sarah. Okay. So, no be who destroy her on our cereal.
Then what happened to them?
Oh no. Ritu. Now they crazy. Now they mad. Who they chop in our series? Who they follow you now they chop that shit when you now they chop?
I will report you both to my dad. He will investigate you both. You tiny rats.
Jesus! Yes, so. Me rats! Yes, so. Okay. You rats! And now we just stop. Girl say they in the good mood, ne? Won't use this cloth to go club.
Before you guys do all this rubbish, give me this.
I go take una go. No, be Amado. I will carry them, go see them for Ijere masquerade. Ijere masquerade come marry, you call am Ijere wife. Now they sweet them, Shabo. No, sweet. No go sweet. I carry go give Ijere now. I go to call her Ijere. Go, Muna Ega. I will give her daddy. They see here now have America for that side. Now ever see. I go stop now 2 days now I go drink curry. I regret. I look now. Check me out. Check me out. It's the pose. Yes. Yeah, no, do like that. Make a day. Do like that. I can do like this.
I made porridge for you and your sister.
Jesus Christ.
No, stop it, Jesus. You dey mad? I am a choosing. I am a choosing. What do you do for this kitchen? What do you do for my kitchen? That's the question I ask you. Hey, you did drop him. You did drop him. You did drop.
Sorry.
Every day they complain, say their things they finish. Eh? So now these small rats them. Then they finish them. We don't see them. Today. So now this thing and these girls they do for this house. Evidence 1. Evidence 2. I don't catch you now today. Since you now mouth today like what I don't know for this house. I tell you now saying that me and you for this house. Oga go hear this one. No, my mouth no go keep quiet. I am a choosing. Yes. But how this thing they take sweet? Hi. Children, wait till we see where it is. Hey! I catch you now today when I go here. When I go see him. Don't worry. I deal with you now. They come.
We should thief this thief and come back in peace. No upon fashion the Gesa shall prosper. Father she go thief this thief, come back, go chop him in peace. You know, go pour juice. Sister. Hey! happened? Hey. Okay, where's the Maurice shit? They shout here. What happened? Chief. I said, Chief, you catch me. Oh! Hey! 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 What's up? And I hear they pray. They pray on top of your head. Hey! Sister, son, a big mess up. How you take do the waka now? This girl, how you take waka? Eh? How you go? Don't say it dead. They said to make you go thief. You go there, they do another thing. Eh? Don't you can't mess up with this one now. You don't know say that thief will carry you go there. Thief, you know that people they thief, they come back. Even people when they go bank, go thief, will come back in peace. You now ordinary kitchen, no matter say make you go thief something. You don't go there, they don't catch you. You don't say you don't get sense. Maybe you don't get sense. Thief where you be, you know say you be normal thief. As thief where you be, they send the mission where you go mission. What is supposed to your head now? That place where you they go. No be they go another place, this girl. You go thief, not be fashion parade, you go do there. My sister. See, you my hand, my leg, no day. I don't come out. My sister, my hand and my leg, no day. Now you go see because now you tell me say they hungry. Now you go see now you tell me say they hungry. Say you want my lotion. Now go fetch my lotion. As I say, are they hungry? Make you go thief. As I send Chris, come for your head. As I send your brain, come up for your head. You dey sick for your head. You know where? So they do it for head. I tell you say they don't catch me. They talk another thing. They crash. And they crash. I use a rub body. I use a rub body. And they crash. Now you cause this thing though. Not me. You go put for trouble. Now you cause this thing though. The son you go bring something. You go there. Go there. Do many. You don't see thief. We go somewhere before they open eye. If they go thief, you target them for mind. You say, now this now they go thief. Oh, once you enter, you go straight to that place. No, they waste time. No look left and right. My sister, a thief, they go thief. You don't go there, go do fashion parade. Thief, they your mind. Straight to the point. Go there, pick and come out. You go there, they find chief.
What are you people talking about?
Chief. My man, Chief.
But you don't. I know, right? She called him Chief. Chief. Well, what do you expect? They came from the village. Low lives. Yes. Well, madam, it's not Chief. It is Chef. Chef. And Chef is in charge of the kitchen and the preparation of the meals.
Okay. Now I get on. You say house boy.
You dummy, not house boy. Cook. Chef. Food. Food. A cook.
Don't do this or don't do.
Can stout.
See these two cockroaches.
Village rat. Stupid girl.
You are mangala.
Lizards. So short rat. Yes, they don't like minding their business.
You are drumstick. You are like.
Mad people. Pests. Yes. Insects.
You are crayfish. Burnt crayfish. Yes.
Parrots. You know they like talking too much. They are parrots. They don't like keeping their mouth shut.
You are rabbit. You are a fool.
Will you guys stop that nonsense? What's the bantering about?
Ododo rapata. Odoyo.
Stop it at once.
When will this nonsense stop?
What is all this bantering about?
I don't want to hear any noise again. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Abiodun, you said you wanted to tell me something.
Yes, sir.
You want water?
You go choke them. Sorry.
You know, say.
You know what? I touch you.
Yes, you touch me.
I touch you. Ah.
Quiet.
Sorry, sir.
Quiet, please. Stop this now.
It's alright.
Samson.
It's okay.
Chinelo. Do you just want to kneel?
Sorry, sir. Not Cham, sir.
Abiodun, talk to me. Okay, thank you. Okay, you see, you know me too well, say I'd always talk the truth, no matter what. And I saw my parents, they train me, say, they always talk true anywhere you enter. Nobody go touch you. Okay, you see, this afternoon, yes, as you see how they look me, they get eye where they look me, but I no sign. This afternoon, okay, now I see one cockroach. Sorry, one person, one small person enter. There's this one now. Yes, you. Now she entered the kitchen. Go carry their series drink.
Wait, what? I knew it! I told you! Yes, you told me! Yes, you told me! I don't see my cereal!
Chinelo!
Sir.
What is he talking about?
Chinelo! What is he talking about? Oh, go kill you. Useless! You did mad! Not because you did hungry, then I go carry on. Me? You did mad! Not two of you. Oga, we're not like this in our family. Chinelo is a thief. You're not a thief. I go tell Mama. Chinelo is not a thief. Let you shut the hell up! Hey! Shut up!
You ladies should calm down.
Daddy, you need to call the police.
Yes, Dad. Sue them.
Yes, get them arrested. What kind of a lawless nation is this?
No, he said.
I guess them mad. Dad, sue them for theft and vandalism. Dad, this is not the first time I'm saying this.
Sir, we not vandalize anything. We just, she say she want go, she not mistake.
Dad, like I said, get them arrested.
If you left my head again, they go arrest you. They go arrest you. See, Oga, see, let me tell you the truth. This is my sister. I know her. Since they born us, whenever I hear any complaint, say something me, say they thief something like. See, na mistake she do. As one pass, I can't touch the thing. Think of for. No, say she thief her. I swear to God. I know my sister well. Sir.
Is that the truth?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I don't want to hear this kind of complaint next time. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What? This one is Bejoro. What kind of wahala children be this? Hi! Even yourself. Say I think they shock you. Wait till you talk inside, they even shock you. Hey! You want to live for one place? Every 2 weeks, you go to talk. Since you don't go cause casala inside that place. It don't cause problem everywhere. That's so you supposed to be. No, they talk that kind of thing. Why they talk this thing? If our pastor power say, God always talk the truth. Talk the truth and you shall be free. You never hear that one. See, they try talk. See, make I tell you. If you like, they do all this one or two things where they do. If I see them like this, you do that one, I see you. I will just go reason or get one thing. No use me play. My mouth, no, they stay one place. I do talk like so. I do talk the truth. And everything make me still there for this house. True talker. They talk truth. Just they talk truth. Everywhere they see the truth, they talk and they talk. When this is your truth, this is your mouth, you go catch fire. For this house, you go catch fire. You go catch a fire. Leave her for me. You no go catch fire. Now me be fire. Do you know who I am? You know who I be? I am a choosing. You know if you catch fire. You know fit. No wahala. You know go catch fire. I beg. Go arrange me small thing. I don't they do. I be no shaker. I'm not hungry. You feel them? Make I bring one spoon for you. One spoon. No try that one spoon something this time around. Though. Which kind of person come with this one? So one day you go see, so you talk.
My princesses,
I've heard their own side of the story. They were just hungry, and that's why they ate your cereals. And guess what? Turns out that they love it.
So they like cow dongs. Because that's what they call it all the time.
My princess, don't forget that's the same thing you did to their food back in the village. And at some point, you started loving it. Yeah? We are not so different after all. What? Listen, I know where all this anger is generated from. But let me reassure you girls, you're not in any sort of competition with anybody over me. Okay? You are my princesses, I love you so much, and you are my first choice.
Dad, that's so sweet.
Well, that's true.
But Mom.
Mom. Yeah, I think dinner is set now. So let's go have dinner, okay? And we'll continue this conversation later. Yes. My phone, please, my princess. Thank you so much.
Dad, your other phone.
It's okay. Oh, it's okay. Don't worry.
It's like Daddy's hiding something.
What?
I think he's hiding something about Mom from us.
What are you even saying?
Oh God. You're very blind.
You're the one who is blind.
We don't miss you. Chip, chip. Chip, chip.
Look at you.
What is this? I thought I asked for Irish potato and egg sauce. Are we back to the village or what?
Hey, I be tell Oga before I prepare this thing, because I continue.
Who is Ogar? And why didn't you ask me first? Melody.
Sweetheart, don't worry. I will prepare you something special.
Never mind. And you too. Why are you here? This place is meant for my sister and I.
My uncle asked me this.
And this is my father's house. I have the right to tell you both where to stay and when not to stay.
Exactly what you just said. You got the right to stay, but not to stay. It's horrible. We still get the right to sit down for your boat. Now uncle asked, not your house.
My father is my father, not yours.
My uncle is my uncle, not your father.
Wait, you guys should calm down, please, okay?
Shut up! And who gave you the right to talk to the staff like that?
Who gave you the right to talk to me like that? Eh?
Shut the hell up! You talk too much!
Shut the heaven up! Come on! If you don't chop, let me chop your own. The mad.
You know you don't have any right to talk to me like that.
Even you, no even try out that way you want to talk. You don't even get that right. Only your papa for this house will talk to me. Will not get that right. Don't try am again.
Wait, what?
What it be?
You know what? I'm done. I'm not eating again.
You don't go like
Dad!
that. Hey, see me. Now play. Come on. Wait till they do so. Come on that hand. Wait till be that. I bring. If you touch this food again, wait till they walk you. Eh? Only you they eat. See as you they eat everything. Now you they tell me now.
And what are you still doing there? Wait.
Huh?
Behave yourself.
See, this thing, I don't
understand that one. I no just understand wetin Mrs. Bimbo dey teach sef. None of them even enter my head so as I dey here so. It's yourself. It's just hard anyhow. I go take corona now. Just say you go get anything for head. Or mo go meet Candy. Who be Candy? Because your man she go help us. That's why hate us well. I want to say she go help us. That's why we dey fight it every time. We'll go try now. We'll go try. There's no harm in trying. We'll go try. Try it. We'll go meet Candy now. We'll try. I know one fight though. No worry. I know one fight though. I did your side. You forget say that Jackie Chan's sister you get. They play. No vex, yellow papa. Candy. Candy Crush.
Who the hell is Candy Crush?
We need your help.
Oh my God.
We need your help.
You're clearly asking the wrong person.
I beg. We know say we don't do it bad, but I want to make you help us do this arithmetic problem.
She can even say very well. Well, I'd rather take my knowledge to the heaven's gates than to help you.
Shut rats.
Get out! Don't help them!
See my own.
Okay, sure. I'll help. You can't do anything!
When I need to draw this thing. Yolodo. Olodo. What's it fine?
I can't. Easy to shape it.
Make we draw anyhow we will see now. After that's last now. Zero go get. Zero no be that thing. No go flog. If they flog, you go die. Don't be to flog.
I'll call you. Since we resemble, I'll stay your class. You come outside. I'll flog you. I'll come and class back.
See, I don't like what all those girls do because they know this thing now. They know they teach person. Which can't think this one now. For your still complain. No, I'm not supposed to complain. No, I'm not supposed to complain. Give yourself. I suppose even they land this slap, but that slap for putting me for this better disgrace. You know, so now you disgrace me like this now. Because I tell you, say this people not go agree. So they hate us, they don't go agree. You say me could go meet their fair people when you not stay from the first day they see you. They hate you. You want carry mathematics, arithmetic, go give them. Call them arithmetic. You call it arithmetic turn. You want make me magic, make them like you by force. If they be saying me my own, I don't sabi read like me. I don't say it's not to solve the it's not me. I feel solve and small sha, but some be say I go feel solve them. But what if the arithmetic man no feel solve? What it be? My own them say you know, drawing. I go draw and shade. Shade the hear what they talk now. You know the shame, you don't feel talk, you don't feel reach. Shame know the cash you don't feel reach. I said no feel reach, I bother myself. My own mathematics don't they give me assignment. She be na for bag day like this. I bother myself make a write time because I don't know am. Now you the worry yourself say what go write mathematics and arithmetic. Now the arithmetic now don't give you insult. Me, I can't do what sabi. Drawing and shading, you draw and shade down. Mathematics dey inside bag. I don't sabi. They go kill me. They go flog. No, kill me. This one where you own now. Madam, what be that?
What's up?
Why I enter this room like that?
Look,
I'm sorry about our actions earlier. But I can help you with the arithmetic problem.
After you don't give us back-to-back insults from the town. Take my bag.
So...
She you talk say no one do this assignment.
Where's the page?
Okay, just write and then make a copy and paste. Copy and paste you there. In the
Hurry
place.
up. Oh, it's something I can handle. So this goes here. So it goes like this.
No, you don't need teachers. Just write the answer, yeah?
No, you have to understand.
No, nothing to understand. Just do and make her do copy and paste.
Hi!
They go teach us for school.
Kai! No wonder teacher they tell us if you no do rapata. That one we don't not
It's okay.
Make a copy and paste.
So you write for
Come let now, I'm not going to teach you.
Hey, Auntie, well done, wow.
See this girl. Isn't it fun now?
Amanda, lipstick Amanda.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
I'm just coming back from your place.
Hey, my place. Any problem?
There is something I want us to talk about.
Hey,
Yes. It's about my brother.
your brother.
I've been observing and hearing things lately about the both of you. Is there anything going on? You can tell me.
Amanda. Hey, see, you should not be listening to all this village gossip. You know them, cho. They don't have workings. If you ask them for evidence now, they will not bring it. Eh?
Cool.
I know that Stephen just came back from the city. So me and him were trying to catch up. And he was my best friend. No?
Okay, no problem. How is business now?
Business is fine, my sister. Business is fine. Even if there was anything, you will be the first to know. Oya, come. Now let me go and give you a akara.
You're going to give me 10.
I'll give you 20.
Who want to finish that one? You want to kill me?
I have workers. Let me tell you that those village people don't have workers. I have workers.
This one.
You betrayed me. What are you talking about? I thought we were a team. How could you? How could you go and help those low lives do their homework? They needed my help. So? We're trying our possible best to get rid of them and you're helping them. Whose side are you on? Your side, of course. Well, it doesn't seem so. You know what? You can go and join them. Now I know it's only Mom that believes and supports me. I hate you all. I wish she was here instead of you.
What is it, my princess?
Dad, it's Candy. She says she hates me.
What? Why would she say something so cruel?
Just because I helped our cousins out with their homeworks. I thought I was doing the right thing.
You are my princess. Come, let's go talk to her, okay? Come, let's go. My princess, you are taking this too far and you need to know when to slow down.
I am not taking anything too far. You all are not giving me the support that I need. And it makes me feel stabbed.
The support that you need. You mean the support to bully your cousins? Is that what you mean?
They're not even meant to be here in the first place.
Why, princess? No, tell me why. Why do you think that you are better than they are? That you deserve more than they do? You should be grateful that you are privileged. But that doesn't mean you should take other people's feelings for granted and treat them less.
Daddy, I am your princess. And I need to be treated as one.
You are my princess. And I love you so much. That's the same way there are some other people's princesses. Okay? Okay, tell me, how would you feel if someone else is to treat you bad because I'm no longer there to treat you right?
But Mom...
Princess, Mom isn't here anymore. It's just us now.
What do you mean by just us?
Oh, Princess, your mom left us. She has a new family now.
What? No, that's not possible. She can't leave me.
She did, and that's why we came back. She gave child custody to me without stress. That's to show the kind of mom she is.
No, I don't believe you.
My princess. My princess.
Sister, what did happen? What happened? I'm hearing your noise. Wow. This life no balance. It didn't happen. You know all those church rats wey dey disturb us for this house. They no get mama again. Then Uncle just confirm and say the mama no dey with them again. Say their mama don't marry another person, don't get your family for that side. They make the evil come this place safe. I know those children, they never know. Mama go start another life in that place. I did tell you. And them self, they never know. They don't know. I swear. Child. Candy.
Leave me alone.
See, I know you are sad. I know you are not happy. But I understand. I understand how you feel.
You don't understand how I feel. So don't try to talk about feelings here. You have your mother.
No, grandma. And you too, you have your papa, you have daddy.
Yes, I know I have daddy. Same daddy you and your sister tried so hard to steal.
No, now we don't want to steal anybody, papa. Now we're not trying to steal your papa. We just want to live good life, happy life. You get
good life, my foot. Just get out of my life. We don't want you. Nobody wants you and your sister. You need to just get out.
See, I understand you. I understand you. Don't be doing this.
She's still alive. I promise you, she's still alive. She's still alive.
it was a mistake. I'm sorry.
What is happening here?
It was a mistake. I didn't mean to. I promise you, you have to believe me. I didn't mean to do that to happen. It's just everything.
God. Hamza! What happened?
Chinelo, I'm sorry.
If anything happens to my sister, I'm going to kill you. And I will kill you. I'm gonna kill you.
I'm sorry. What happened? I'm sorry. It was a mistake. I'm sorry. It was a mistake. You have to believe me.
Come on, babe, what's going on?
My love.
Yes, baby.
I have good news for you.
Good news?
Yes.
Come on, break it down.
I'm pregnant.
You're joking, right?
No, I'm serious. I'm pregnant for you.
I know it's good news for you, but not for me. Listen, you just need to get rid of that pregnancy.
I can't do that though. I thought we loved each other.
Ah, love ke. Love the Christmas. We're only having fun now. Already have a family in the city, oh. Ha.
What? Steven, you have a family and I didn't know. You did not tell me.
Ah, I thought my sister told you now. Okay, fine, my bad. Listen. You just need to get rid of this pregnancy, and this is going to be the last time you see me. You can't be.
Steven,
stop this
anywhere
thing.
you go, I'll follow you.
Stop it, oh. Stop it,
I'm
oh.
pregnant. Anywhere you go, I'll follow
Go
you.
look for person who give you belle, oh.
It's you. Oh.
Stop it, oh.
Steven, you.
I will.
It's you.
I will.
It's okay. Chamsa will be fine. You're my everything. You're my world.
I said bad words to her.
Families fight. So it's okay.
I hurt Chamsa because I don't think I can recover from this guilt.
Candy, you will only hurt yourself more if you don't let the anger inside you out. Dad, I, Chinelo and Chamsa, we will always get under your skin once in a while. But that doesn't mean we don't love you. We love you. And you have to embrace that. And you'll be fine. Trust me.
I don't think she will forgive me.
You'll never know till you try. So it's okay. She'll be fine. Don't worry. Stop crying. Stop crying.
Amanda! 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 Please come. I want to see you come. Amanda. Amanda.
What is it? Are you fine?
Yes, I want to see Steve.
Steve? He left for the city this morning. What is it?
Hi.
What is it now?
So, he was serious about what he said.
Serious about what? I don't understand. Why is your face looking like this? Stop now.
I am pregnant. I am pregnant for Steve.
How? When? I don't understand. I thought you said you both are just friends.
I lied. I didn't know how to tell you.
Jesus. Isn't my brother is married with 3 kids in the city. Why do you have to give yourself to him like that now?
He's married.
Yes. Don't go to yourself into like this with this girl.
I am finished though.
Stop this, Joe. Wait, isn't he? Wait, let me lock the door. I'm coming to your place.
Sir, please, from the bottom of your heart, please forgive me. Yes, my sister can be hot-headed sometimes, but she's a sweet soul. That's why she was named Candy. And I promise not to cause any rift and boundaries with you and your sister. I promise to live as one big happy family henceforth. Please forgive me. And I'm sorry I hurt you. You know, we've been at each other's throats since the day we met. And I think it's time for us to make a different turn. A turn for peace and not for war. Yeah.
That's well said, girls. So girls, what do you say?
Apology accepted.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Let's go inside.
Alright, let's go inside, eh?
Sorry.
See, I don't know if they send you. If they send you, then I say you don't see me.
Amy.
I don't understand this kind of wahala.
Emeka now.
See, ma tell you something. For this village, try to avoid me. They avoid me. Emeka. Waka.
Emeka, please now. Hear me out.
Oh yeah, wait till you want talk. Wait till you know say you want talk now. Wait till you want talk.
Emeka, I love you so much. I love you with all my heart. I've only been doing shakara before, but now I love you. Seriously, I've loved you since. And I've accepted your proposal now. I want to marry you.
Emeka, I love you. Emeka, I love you. Emeka, I don't love you now. I don't. Hey, Jesus. See, I don't go even wish make my enemy end up a person like you. You will be public toilet. Chum. Even that man, keke man, when he don't break like this, he hear me. He tells you he don't knock you. Imagine. I don't even know why they even fall.
Emeka, why is something like this? It's me, oh, your easy baby. It's me.
With this thing where you carry like this, after you don't pium. See, no ever. I don't want to see you they follow me for this place again. No follow me. You don't hear them.
No, Emeka, you must marry me.
If you go touch me, Waka, ma see you. If you follow me for this village, I go slap your head.
Yeah.
my girls. So girls, who is ready for school?
Me!
Let's go to school. Okay, yeah, help me out there. To backstage.
Okay, I'll help you.
You want to go inside? Oh.
No. It's for the bags.
Hello? Yes.
Yeah, it's not. It's for bag.
That's okay. I'll be there right away. Thank you.
Dad, what happened?
I'm okay, my dear. Chansa, Chinelo, your foster mom, Ezinne, just gave birth to a set of twins.
Twins?